Play. Stream, 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 stream. Ooh, I'm so ready. I have just a little bit of time to stream. Look at this goofball. Look at this guy. This guy is so competitive. You got it like 4 times in a row. Actually, I would say your streak is broken because Imperfect got it yesterday when the stream crashed. But welcome to stream, Andrew. Congratulations on getting your 15th golden horse. This guy wants it so bad. He wants it so bad. Welcome to stream, guy. Thanks for coming. Your 11th horse of the month. How is he so fast? That's what I'm saying. The go live notification was even out yet. It didn't even say Anthony was live. He got it. He must have been refreshing and clicking it for the past 30 minutes. Welcome to stream, Metro. Thanks for coming. Your 6th horse of the month. Welcome to stream Zane. Thanks for coming. Your 9th horse of the month. Hello, in Finstra. Thanks for coming. Your 9th horse of the month. Welcome in Bolulu. Thanks for coming. Your 9th horse of the month. It is time to do our say-so checks. Let me get my say-so in. Oos. I, the jokes write themselves. I've been a freak for the past week. Every single day, I think. Every single time I've streamed in the past week, it's been a freak score. Oh my god, Andrew, 0% say so. Holy shit. Not gonna stream Shade 6 coming your 4th horse of the month. Metro, you're ready to claim your weekly horse. First, at the cheap price of 222 channel points, you get a weekly horse. Let's see, what are the say so checks for today? We got Infinstra. You are, ooh, ever so slightly more freaky than say so, but high values all around. Balulu, you are even more freaky than Balulu today. Congratulations. Guy, you are on a freak streak as well. Congrats on getting 70%. Very good, very good. Oh, it's because Andrew's the most unemployed motherfucker in the universe that he got the golden horse. Welcome to stream, Andrew. This is your 11th horse of the month. Hi, I'm new. I've never redeemed this before. Yeah, it's a bit of a fake message, fake redeem. It's more like a highlight my message, but also lie to Anthony kind of thing. Metra, thanks you claiming your weekly horse. You pulled Aki's Roblox avatar. Let's go. I can't hear the haters, but I know they're out there. You say that too much. You said that like 3 times now. I gotta take away your license. Ooh. Congrats, Metra, on being more safe than freaky today. There's not a lot of that going around today, so I appreciate that from you. Ooh, excuse me. I'm a bit tired. Not sleepy tired, but like physically tired. Because the reason the stream is late today is because I was doing yard work, and the yard was work, and I had to carry a lot of cement bags. Well, yeah, we had to delay stream a bit, and it's gonna be a short one today. But we're finally gonna work on the new overlay, which we haven't worked on in a while. Actually, why is my name the Five Guys combo meal? Because you are Guy V, and V is like a 5, so I was like Guy 5, 5 guys. It just makes sense, you know? That's how I interpreted your name at the very least. If you think it's not fitting, then we can always change it, of course. But I like to take initiative in making the 7TV name associations. But of course, anyone's allowed to ask for a different emote. I had to wake up at 6:45. Oh, goodness gracious, Zane. Hope you're doing okay. Oh. Excuse me. Okay, we're gonna get started in a little bit. Today's progression session is we're gonna work on the overlay, which I've said we're gonna be doing for the past 3 weeks. But finally, we're gonna get to it. Oh. I also play Tiny Tina's. Oh yeah, didn't you say like last week or the week before that you had to also wake up really early for that? It's like the only time available for y'all to play. Mm. Alright, I'm consuming caffeine. I'm getting my drinks in. Oh, look at Machine Bailiff. Thanks for coming your 5th horse of the month. Okay, as I was saying, today's stream is a short progression session. We're gonna be productive today. We're gonna work on the overlay, which is being built in Unity. Like, I really wanted to. I did a lot of research to see if I should make this in Unity or in Godot. And as much as I love Godot and love what it stands for, Uh, the tools, a lot of them have already been made in Unity, so hopefully it's a lot of like drag and drop. But if I have to develop some stuff, we'll just see how it goes. You're going to Scotland in 10 days. Wow. What are you going to Scotland for? That's pretty cool. The travel kind of scares me, not gonna lie, but it is exciting once you're there. UKSG. Oh, that's right. That's right. Speed run. Speed run. Very exciting. I'm gonna try to catch the stream for that. I don't know what time it is. I'll have to look at the scheduled times and all that. Okay. Let's get into the overlay so we can get started. Wait. Okay, at least I set them sources first. Hi, Imperfect. Welcome to stream. Junior Game Dev. That's a throwback. Yeah, they're not making the game per se, but we are using Unity, so it is a game engine. Did I do my weekly? Let me see. Weekly. In 46 minutes? Yeah, I'll probably be able to claim it by the end of stream then. Okay. I'll be capturing this. I'm already capturing. Okay. So onto this. Wait, what happened? There we go. I'm gonna show my monitor. I just have Spirit City Lo-Fi, whatever sessions it's called, in the background. Let's set some tasks. So, wait, habits. What the heck is habits? Congrats to Shar for claiming first. You get a bonus golden horse. You now have 3. You still have the old incorrect message for the fake gold horse claim. It's the typo is there. We fixed it. Also, you never got rid of user inventory horses. It doesn't make sense. You're hungry? Can I feed you? I'm sorry, Metra. I don't. There's not enough food to go around. You see, the times are tough. Thousands will starve. We have to fend for ourselves. Maybe you can go foraging, pick up some berries. I'm not sure. You can find some acorns. But, there's not enough to go around. Yeah, have you seen us play Don't Starve Together? We're all hungry out here. Welcome to stream, Shar. Thanks for becoming your 5th horse of the month. You did not claim the speedy golden horse, you liar. You big fat liar. I hate you. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. This is a friendly environment. Okay, so where is the journal, habits, timer, to-do list? There it is. Okay, overlay. Pick an engine. We've already done that. We're using Unity. Reported for body. There's a joke. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. I haven't slept since I woke up at 5 p.m. yesterday. Jesus. It's been a long time since I've had an inverted sleep schedule. It's a weird feeling, like everyone's going to sleep and you're still up, and then the sun goes up. Why are you purple? Invincible reference? I'm not purple, I'm blue. It's because my Sackboy is blue. You can see the PNGs. It's a one to one. It's the exact same. Ugh. But yeah, watching the sun go down and then watching the sun go up. It's like, wow, it's crazy how the sun just does that. Okay, so we have pretty much 2 goals today. Oh shit, ad break. Well, we'll just talk over that. I don't want to pause for this. Shar, your weekly horse is still sleeping, you big dummy. You gotta check if it's available with the weekly command. Yeah, we have 2 main goals today. We want to put chat in Unity, and we want to put a video source in the Unity. Fuck you! Give me my points back. Yeah, fine. Just for you, Shar, because you asked ever so nicely. We will refund you your points. But don't expect this to be a pattern. I don't want to be on. I don't want to be on a babysitting duty, refunding everyone's weekly horse redeems that don't go through. Okay, there is it. Weekly horses. Shart Aura. Reject, refund your points. There you go. This is my first time on stream. Okay, I'll forgive you. I forgive you. There, you got your points back. Your 222 points back. The squeaky wheel gets grease, I guess. Wait, what are you complaining about, Andrew? Did I neglect your sleeping horse? What happened? Dehydrate chat? Sure thing, y'all. Make sure to get dried up and sunny. Hey! 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 Why throwing fruits at me? Gotta catch him in my mouth. Incoming! Incoming! More fruits! Oh, that one had more apples. Are we climbing to Apex rank to Pred? We can certainly try. So like, for context for those who aren't in the loop, Char and I, and also Kyle, were playing Apex Legends last night. We hopped on the rank. I'm pretty sure we ended up lower than where we started. We did really bad. We started like Silver 3, Kyle was Silver 2. I think we lost like 30 points that night. So are we climbing to Pred? I will say, like, is it happening? No. But are we trying? Absolutely. That's not what we're here to talk about. Let's not get too off track. I need to drink more caffeine so I stay awake. Holy shit, what the fuck was that? What just happened? Why were there so many things just now? Metro, did you do something? What was that? Did you like accept all the individual throw redeems? Welcome to Stream Turtle, thanks for coming your 11th horse of the month. Welcome in. We're gonna be productive. We're gonna be productive. We're gonna be productive. XD, so it was you. Criminal. 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 Are we scheming on Anthony? No. Don't be ridiculous, Turtle. Alright, back to work. Bye, Char. Have fun. Be productive today. I'm being productive as well. No, we're not doing anything, Turtle. Any of that noise you heard? What, you didn't hear it actually. I don't know what. Y'all hear something? No, not me. You have 7k points? I thought you would have 0 points. Get rid of your points. Okay, what's the spirit dex? Oh, a creature! No, we're not getting distracted. Oh god, I'm full of air. Oh, this game's so loud. Stop. Okay, we're not gonna be discovering more creature because that was too loud. I don't think this game's helping me be productive. No. Well, the game. It's not the game's fault that I'm not ready to start yet. We're just using the game to keep track of our tasks. We're gonna pick an engine, make a silver overlay frame. Okay, look, this is a very loosey-goosey task. Okay, because I made a rectangle in Unity. That's basically an overlay. I guess we can mark that as complete. We'll expand on that later. So the two real tasks today are to add chat to Unity and add a video source to the overlay. Now, I did a little bit of research, so let me open up the Unity project now. Here's my thing. Okay, it's not much, I'll admit, but we have a cube. Okay, that's the overlay, and we have a plane that is where the game would go on the overlay. Okay, so the way this would work, I think, if my understanding is correct, which it might not be, because I have not used this tool before, is when you want a video feed, that is a rectangle. Yes. Everyone, pay attention. Jingle the keys. We got the video. We got a rectangle. I'm losing you. We got a rectangle. Okay. I think the way it works is we have this plane here. Okay. Currently, it has a texture on it, which is just this blank texture. What we want to do is make this texture have, it'll be set to some video feed that we can set through Unity somehow. I'm not really sure how it works. I'm still figuring it out. But that's essentially how we'd have gameplay live streamed onto this. And I guess I also need to have like a chat overlay, so we can make another plane. We'll call this one gameplay screen. Let's copy this. Have this one be called a chat screen, and we'll like move it over here. And I forget how to move the camera around in Unity, so bear with me. One of these buttons surely moves the camera around. This does not feel efficient. Alright, whatever. This will be the chat. Oh, this will be the chat screen. How do I? There we go. Are you planning to have like a full 3D overlays? Something like that. I want to build something that I could expand upon. A third rectangle? No way! Yeah. I mean, kind of like what I have going on right now with the Little Big Planet thing, except it's like much more interactable and it's in 3D space, so I can manipulate it and move it around as I wish. But first things first, we have to just have something down. So we have the rectangle, we have a screen, and a third rectangle. we will probably, I don't know how big to make this. Let's make this like 0.5, y 0.5. That's the wrong one. X 0.5. Okay, that's a bit small. That's actually a bit big. I mean, not small. Let's make it like 2 by 1, I guess. 0.25. That's not the right one. Okay, make this 0.25. Not 2.5. 2. Oh, there we go. Now just imagine chat goes right there. Okay, this will probably be more over here or something like that. I don't know. We'll figure it out. It's not precise. Okay, we're just trying to get the things down. Okay. You can see the vision right there, right? Okay, so ooh. Camera controls. It's been so long since I've used Unity. Alt, click, there we go. You can imagine there's chat, there's the gameplay, and my face would be somewhere down there. We'll work on that later. We only have 2 goals right now, okay? Okay, so I know that with a gameplay screen, it would use a texture that gets updated in real time. But with chat, it would probably just be like a text component or something. I know that putting chat into a game is not a new concept, so it should be possible to make this work, like with existing code. We'd have to look into it though. Alright. I'll also admit, my brain is not all here today. I'm kind of tired. But we'll power through. I want to get something done. If we can get one of our tasks done today, I will call it a successful stream. If we get both of them done today, I will say it has been a hella successful stream, and everyone gets a smooch on the forehead for believing in me. Okay, so this is already partially done. We have this NDI material. I don't know what NDI stands for, but that's what they said to call it in the tutorial. Is it there normally? Is what there? Your brain, that is? I'd say like 75% of the time, yeah. Are you planning on to actually do anything with chat and gameplay being in engine? I do, yeah, I have some plans, but it's all just like loose ideas for now. But I want to have it built at the very least, so I have the option to like expand upon it. It's gonna be like an ongoing thing that I want to work on. Ooh. Imagine a 4th? Dude, you're so right. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, I'm cheating. Let's call this the. Let's rename this to be overlay frame. I guess they should be children of the frame. Or should all 3 of these be? No, it should be an empty. I should make an empty. Create empty overlay. Let's call this frame. And now it's an object that I can move around. Nice. I'm very experienced in Unity anyway, so if you want help anything, I'd be willing to work on it. Oh, I appreciate that very much, Mecha. For now, I might just have questions about how to use the engine because it's been a while. But if we want to talk about more involved assistance, that'd be awesome. I wouldn't even know what to ask at this point. Okay. Ugh. Imagine the 4th, and my head would explode from overuse of imagination. Dude, it's only, let's limit it to 3 rectangles for now. Okay. So I need to read up on the documentation. There wasn't much documentation on this thing. Where did I put it? Is it here? No. Don't look at that. That's my checklist. Where did I have it open? I have a lot of tabs open right now. One of them is what we're looking for. Give me a second. Oh god. Might actually need a 4th for Anthony Cam. Yeah, I agree. Absolutely, but we're not working on that today. It's it probably won't be that different from the gameplay feed, because I assume that like if we can just get this to be a animated texture using a video input, then it's probably gonna be like a copy and paste, and then just make the video input for the next one, like a webcam plus a PNG tuber. But that's like future stuff. We're not there yet. Baby steps. Like you gotta fucking you gotta walk before you run. You gotta fucking sleep before you wake up. You gotta pick your nose before you blow. That's what they say, right? Okay. You started running out the womb, actually? Oh shit, he's a speedrunner. Add a circle in the corner for Yoshi cam. I kind of like the idea of a circle cam for Yoshi. That's well, we'll jot that down and think about it for the future. Okay, so I have. Let me put this into Opera. So this. Wait, what is this? No, not that one. Is it this one? I have a bunch of tabs open. Let's put this all in here. I think. Do I need this third one here? I have it decided. Okay, so it's just this one. How to install. Okay. So this GitHub page has a little bit of documentation on this video texture thing. Also, if you look up, what's it called? Clack NDI. I don't really know what that means, but I couldn't find any like YouTube tutorials on it. But there was example videos on like TikTok or something. It was some short form video. Maybe it was Instagram, and it showed like video feeds in a game. I thought, okay, that's what I'm looking for. I just need to figure out how to use it. So we have a receiver component. We have a sender component. Okay, so we have this empty object. I just call it NDI things. I don't know what to call it. What the heck is global volume? Did I put this here? Directional light, main camera. I don't know what global volume is. Let's just worry about what we're looking at here. So we have an empty object with a script component, NDI receiver. It receives. No. What does it do? It will target a texture, which is the texture I've selected here, and I think this is what gives the texture the video feed? I'm not sure. Let me look at the documentation again. Oh, excuse me. NDI receiver. The NDI receiver component receives a video stream and feeds it to a renderer object or a render texture asset. Yeah, right now I have it set to, oops, not that. Texture, oops. NDI name, what does that mean? No source available. If there's an example I can work off, NDI is for sending video over a network. Network? You can't do it locally? Interesting. Let me look at what NDI means then. Network device interface. Interesting. NDI network is a royalty-free video over IP transmission protocol developed by Newtek. NDI was designed to enable compatible devices to share lightly compressed high bandwidth video, along with audio metadata across IP networks for broadcast, contribution, and production. Okay, so that sounds like what I'm looking for. You can do it locally, but it'd be probably overkill. Interesting. I guess I don't really fully understand, but it sounds like what I need. So let's see what this says. The receiver component receives a video stream, feeds it to a renderer object. So you can either target a texture or target a object. I think that's what they're doing in this picture right here. Zoom in. Yeah, they targeting a quad, a mesh renderer, but I'm targeting a texture instead, which I can apply to an object. NDI name. Specify the name of the NDI source. You can edit the text field or use a selector to choose the name from the currently available NDI sources. QL local gradient. Target texture. Target renderer. Overrides the texture property of the given renderer. Receiver copies the received frames into this renderer texture asset. You can extract metadata. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. So then, I think what's left for me then is to figure out this first step. NDI name. Specify the name of NDI source. Edit text field. Use the selector to choose a name. NDI sources. What the heck are NDI sources? Let me look into this. You can enumerate currently available NDI sources in the NDI Finder class. You see the source selector example. Source selector. Right, let's duplicate this tab. That's just the script. You can instantiate the NDI sender receiver component from a script, but at the same time you have to set an NDI resource asset. See the blah 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 blah. Sender benchmark, receiver benchmark. What does this show us? Hi Minori, welcome to stream. Thanks for coming your 9th horse of the month. Oh my goodness gracious. By the hair of his chinny chin chin, Minori is say so today. Congratulations on beating out the freakiness by 2%. Welcome to stream Jacob. Thanks for coming your 9th horse of the month. This will be useful to you. Let's see. Distro AV. Oh yeah, I have this tab open, I think. This one, right? Wait. Yeah, this is what you sent me. Oh, noises. Distro AV, formerly OBS NDI, network audio video interface in OBS Studio using NDI technology. NDI source receive NDI video and audio in OBS, transmit NDI output, transmit OBS video and audio to NDI. Okay. Ugh. I'm so say so. I've never been a freak. Is that true? So can you give us a quick say so stats, please? Jacob, you're freaky today by a large margin. Goodness gracious. Yeah, I believe you, Turtle. Those are some very good stats. Very good. Perfect. You're also a little bit freaky today, just a little bit, a wee bit. Before we get more distracted, one last distraction. We'll do a quick stream say so. Oh goodness gracious. Okay. Metro, you're a bit more say so than normal. Guy, you are. Oh, surprisingly, you're pretty say so as well. I thought you'd have a higher freak stat because you've been on a freak streak. Somehow, still the vibe of today is rather freaky, more than say so. You have perfect energy. Oh wait, you do. Wow. How rare. Okay, so I'm assuming for OBS, we will want. This is an OBS plugin, right? Is it? Wait. I think it is. We want to have this NDI output, transmit OBS video and audio to NDI, and then we'll have a receiver in Unity receive this. Requirements OBS 31. What's my version of OBS? Let me see. Help. Release notes? No. Wait, I guess so, yeah. Okay, my 31. Oh shit, I have to update my OBS. Oh fuck, I gotta restart stream. Yeah, I've been on an old version of OBS for a while. NDI runtime greater than 6. What is this? Remove the old plugin. The distro AV plugin requires NDI runtime to be installed. I assume I don't have this because I don't know what this is. Manual install. Sure, I'll click on links. Wait. Let's see. Yeah, what's the worst that could happen? Ugh, full screen folder. I accept the terms and services. Fuck me up, fam. Alright, if it's gonna say like you have to restart your computer, I'm also gonna like update OBS. Oh, nothing. Okay. Hi, Kyle. How you doing? Did you also say hi in my? Oh, you didn't. Okay. I was assuming you said hi in my chat for voice chat, but you didn't this time. Now you're saying hi. I'm looking at it right now. Anyways, welcome to stream, Kyle. Thanks for becoming your third horse of the month. Oof. Okay, so do I have to update OBS now? Is it gonna be a double horse day? Oh god, Zane's gonna be so mad. Okay, help. Check her updates. If I click on update right now, if I if I click update now, right now, is it gonna close the stream? Is that what's gonna happen? Is this an end stream button in disguise, or can I don't imagine I could update while the stream is running. All right, I'm gonna click on this button and we're gonna see what happens. If it's the end of stream, it's the end of stream, and we're gonna get double horses. OBS is currently active. All streams and recordings will be shut down. Are you sure? Oh, baby. It's so quiet. There's no music. Oh, I need my... Ooh. Spirit City Lo-Fi Sessions. Launch. Oh my goodness gracious. Imperfect. You are the king of claiming horses when stream restarts. It didn't let you. I'm sorry, Metcha. That's just how the game is played. Very unfortunate. Very unfortunate for you, but very fortunate for Imperfect. That's twice in a row now. Imperfect has claimed the midstream golden horse. So excuse me while I'm still getting my makeup back on. The stream overlay is not up right now. Tits is on the screen. Get this shit out of here. It's oh god, my throat. It chat just reloaded. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry if you played the game and the game wronged you. It's not anyone's fault really, except maybe mine. Oh god, don't blame the streamer. No, we are still getting our shit together, okay? Oh look, it's chat for voice chat. It's in the Discord server. Everyone say hi. You know what I just realized? I absolutely did not save in Unity. It's okay, we didn't really do anything, but I had to remake that third rectangle. Why did my chat reload 3 times? I don't know. Don't hate the player, hate the game. Oh god. But I appreciate you all for trying your best and participating in the midday golden horse claim. Maybe we should make that a separate thing, like if stream was just up and we had to restart stream, the golden horse has been replaced by like a fucking fool's gold horse. Well, we'll think about it for the future. I don't know how we can enforce that. And welcome back to stream, everybody. Hello, Imperfect. Thanks for becoming your 12th horse of the month. Welcome back, Guy. Thanks for becoming your 12th horse of the month. Welcome to stream, Balulu. Thanks for becoming your 10th horse of the month. You were so close, Andrew. Yeah. Tell it to the judge. You don't deserve another golden horse. You have too many of them. The controller working? Okay. Oh, the overlay. Don't look at it. It's not ready. I can't see. There we go. Hold on, I'm still fixing it. I'm still fixing it. Welcome to stream, Kyle. I think let's stream Metra. Welcome to stream Infinchia. Welcome to stream Minori. pyrite horse, dude. You're right. You're right. It's a pyrite horse. Uh, shit. We don't have an overlay ready, do we? Very quickly we're gonna decorate this. We can't be distracted for too long. I'm picking a random sticker. This is a caramel apple, I think. Excellent. That's all we get for today. No, the loss of a rectangle is just a temporary setback. We're gonna fix it real soon. What am I hearing? You guys can't hear this, but I can hear it. This thing, gotta mute that. Is Unity launching? Oh, there we go. Okay, so now I didn't get an error from OBS this time when I launched it, so I think the that thing we just installed is installed. Look, my throat hurts. I think I have cement powder in my throat. Probably not a good thing. Why is it 2 mouses on the stream? Why is it 2 mouse? What's happening? That's weird. Is it because I'm looking at tits? What if I open Discord instead? Okay, now there's only 1. Is Unity gonna launch? Oh, there we go. Been drinking the forbidden milkshake. I'm not intentionally consuming cement powder. It just happens in the heat of the moment. Okay, we have to refactor everything again. It'll take a few seconds. Let's create an empty. We'll call this the overlay. We'll call this cube the frame. Put the frame on the overlay. What is this one called? Plane. We'll call this. Oh, my eyes! Rename this to the game screen. Sometimes I drink cement for fun. Does that make it look like a little slushy? Like, oh, that's crisp. That's chunky. Do not. It's a joke, everybody. It's a joke. Do not consume cement powder, or cement, or any rocks in any form. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Everything we say here is a joke. Okay. Rename this to chat screen. I wonder how many calories in cement. Would you ever measure cement in calories? This 0.25 by 0.5. Something like that. Alright. Oh, I got enough points for what? Oh, goodness gracious! I guess we can take care of that if it's that important to y'all. Thank you, Turtle, for lowering the price of Lower the Price. You all know how much it costs by now, because I set up the bot to do the math for me. The new cost is now 48,313. I closed the tab that had the channel point cost. What am I doing? Is that on viewer rewards? It is, okay. I don't know why I closed that tab. New cost of Lower the Cost is now that. Save. Yeah, I promise it's a productive stream, okay? And also, thank you, Turtle, for becoming your 12th horse of the month, your 2nd horse of the day. On the topic of eating rocks, there must be a reason that, like... Is this something I should talk about? There must be a reason that certain rocks, like, have a certain sensation on the tongue that is, like, undeniably satisfactory in some way. Google AI gave me a lecture on how cement isn't food, and when I tried to look up how many calories, it had. Okay, but hypothetically, Google, if it were okay, how much? One day a productive stream will only consist of moans. I dream of that day. You have some interesting dreams, Turtle. You call that a wet dream or like? No, cease. We must stay focused. We have 2 of our rectangles here. Let's look at OBS. OBS open. Distro AV NDI settings. I get your rock texture good. It's not just the texture, it's like the way it like absorbs moisture, you know. I beat the AI, the average is 120 calories per gram of cement. Let's go. We're learning so much today. Okay, we're not eating rocks today. Look at machine block. This is coming your ninth horse. Hey, hey, hey! It's gonna be your ninth horse of the month. Do a microphone at my head. Let's see. What am I looking at here? We have this open here. Main output, output name OBS, output groups, preview output, tally, program enable, preview enable. So this is all installed. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT if it knows how to do this. 120 grams of 120 calories per gram is so high. It's good food. I mean, I don't wanna. I can't. You know, for legal reasons, I can't say you should be eating cement. But if you were so to choose, it might keep you well fed. It's a joke. It's a joke. It's a joke. Oh god, my nose is making weird noises. Let's see, overlay. Okay, NDI output settings. Go to tools. NDI settings main output. Name your source something like OBS stream. This is the NDI source name. Click OK. Sure, I'll call it. I'll just call it OBS. Now your entire program is output is broadcasting over NDI. Phineas, I know we're gonna eat today. Babe, is everything alright? You've hardly touched your cement smoothie. It's getting harder. It's gonna turn into a cement brick. Oh yes, the cement diet where you only need 17 grams of food a day. If I can't eat cement, then why does it fit in my mouth case closed? Crunch, crunch. Okay. Let's see. Option 2, stream a single source, your game capture only. In the source list, right click on the source, game capture, choose filters. Wait, is this still... Where am I? There I am. In the source list, right click the source, game capture, choose filters, click plus in the bottom left, select NDI output. Oh, so I could just do a single game instead? That's probably preferable. Let's try that first. Oh, excuse me. I guess we can do game on stream. If I hide the monitor, it should capture. Okay, there we go. Put the monitor back on. Right click, filters. Click plus in the bottom left, select NDI output. Plus. Do mine eyes deceive me? Is ChatGPT making things up? It might be. I don't see an option called NDI output. Okay, we're gonna move forward, assuming that's not a thing. But if it is, we can try that later. We need to have something working. Okay. Where does Unity see the NDI source? Once it's active, Unity plus Clock NDI will automatically detect all available NDI sources on your game or network. In your Unity scene, add an NDI receiver component to a game object. In the NDI source name dropdown, you'll see the thing that I've added. Okay. NDI. Oh my god. Select this. I see the option. That's OBS. It's not. Oh! It shows up and then it goes away. What does that mean? It sounds like something is broken. I'm not sure. If that cement calories things actually make wait, that cement calorie my words. I don't know if that cement calories thing actually makes sense because that's 120 calories of exothermic energy during hydration process. Um, Not calories produced by the body when consuming it. Oh, interesting. Um, I mean, I'm no diet expert, and we're also talking about some chemistry that I don't really understand either. I guess we're overlapping two different things that I don't understand for like a Venn diagram of like Anthony really doesn't understand what we're talking about. So I'm just gonna trust y'all's words on it when it comes to eating cement. You guys are the experts, guys and gals. So yeah, go ahead, eat some cement. Let me know how it goes, and then eventually we will have a cement eating stream. I'm kidding, that's a joke. Welcome, Lith, to stream. Thanks for becoming your fourth horse of the month. I hope you're doing well. You're coming at a great time. We're discussing the logistics of eating cement. Ooh, I'm shaking it. Lith, no, you can't say that. I did not beat the AI for cement calories. Damn. What does AI know about cement calories? I don't even know anything about NDI outputs. What? I'm getting a phone call? Are you serious? Oh, I'll be right back. Okay, I was called just now to do something. I'm gonna be right back. It's probably gonna be like a few minutes. But in the meantime, you guys can look at. I'll make a BRB screen for y'all, so you guys can stay behaved and make sure the stream stays focused. We'll make it green this time. Be right back. There. Alright. I'll be right back. Who the fuck just joined the call? What the fuck? What was that? What? Someone just joined the Discord call. Who was that? It was Lith. I'll be right back.
Hey guys, it's Anthony Moore here. I'm a streamer. Yeah. Hi Metro, I'm perfect. Eternal. Today we're gonna be streaming Microsoft Paint. I can't control Jackson. Block, I see what you're doing in this stream. That's disrespectful as shit. We've. I will be a little big at 7-4. Everybody should eat cement. Everybody. We shouldn't have any foods other than cement. I'll play you guys Quack goes like I'm out street on the street. Real Anthony Moore Q&A, guys. Not only am I Q, I am also A. I am in fact jorking it crazy style right now. For asking blog. Oh, we have a monster. I should absolutely be doing homework right now. Hello Aki, welcome to stream. It's me, the real Anthony Moore. True, we should. Mods, fix that command. It didn't work. Yeah, Aki, real Anthony Moore. I hope you guys are enjoying this singular image. I don't think I can do jack shit. Hello, Bailiff. Welcome to the street with the real Anthony Moore. Yeah, that's real. It's actually gonna be the entirety of next week. Yeah, Monday to Sunday. Straight up oiling. You're welcome. You're welcome. You should have clipped that chat. Yeah, Block. You guys can get free moan. This is what it sounds like. Yep. Thank you guys for collaborating on this stream. It's very cool. Play Merge Farm Valley on stream. Do you guys think that would be a good stream idea? I can't play Merge Farm Valley, guys. This is so sad. I need to get my laptop to play Merge Farm Valley on stream. It is so sad. Block, why would you throw that? That's so mean. My soft bulbous and blue forehead, it's now dented. You dented it, could you? I tried to do it's because I can't launch it at all on my computer. I think it's because I don't have Intel virtualization enabled. Hi Shar, I'm definitely the real Anthony Moi. Free to ask me any questions that only the Anthony Moi know. Metro, why would you lie to chat like that? That's the he's right here. Run.
What did Metro say? Oh. Well, goodbye, Lith. Have y'all been behaving while I was gone? Scatter! What were y'all doing while I was away? Let's see, what happened? Let me scroll up in chat. I did see, like, as I was walking away, that Lith was in the call again after they left. Ooh. Lith, join call again, take over this stream. Hi, Lith. We took over this stream. What are your thoughts on forbidden cement smoothies? My streamer Lith. Lith, are you jorking it right now? What the hell's going on in this community? Oh, welcome back to stream Aki. Mods, could you get a shout out for Lith? Welcome back to stream Bailiff. Let's see. Mr. Real Anthony Moi, we're getting we're getting the old up stream next week. Why? Okay, thank you. Anthony parentheses real. Can we get a free moon redeem? Straight merging it. Something was said. I'll have to check the VOD to know what you guys were talking about. Just launch merge in the stream PC. Okay. Unfortunately, nothing concrete is metabolizable by the human body, so you get no calories. Very unfortunate. Interesting. What an interesting discussion y'all had. I've just been in. What do you mean? I've just been in chat. Right. The real Anthony watches with the puberty. My voice is already pretty deep, right? I think if it got deeper, it'd be someone else. Real Anthony just told us the entire next week is oil up stream. The entire next week, it's gonna be a 500-hour stream. Your voice isn't deep. Okay, sure, fine. I'm not that I'm like thinking it should be one way or the other. I've been told my voice is deep. Maybe not. Your voice is deeper? Oh, okay. I didn't realize it's a competition. Y'all win, you win. I'll give you the trophy. And now, this is no longer I'll be right back segment. This is now just back, or be back. Close out of this. I wanted to show something, which was like, while I was streaming, like maybe like 20 minutes ago, I saw a notification on my phone. It said, there are two notifications actually. One said package delivered, and the other one said package delayed. I'm like, I wonder what that means. I'll deal with that later though. I had to deal with it today. I'm gonna go ahead and show this in on my Discord and then screen share that. Yeah, here's the package that showed up. This shit's like 4 feet tall. It's so much bigger than I thought it'd be. Like I'll admit, you know, the lore, it goes a bit deep. I ordered a new chair. Okay. Yeah, yes. Anthony's not forever gonna have the shitty chair. I didn't realize that it's gonna be huge. Okay, I thought it's gonna be like maybe like a few small boxes of disassembled pieces. You gotta put it together. This shit is so big I could barely fit it through the door. It's at the bottom of my stairs right now, and I just left it there because I couldn't get it up the stairs. I'll deal with that later. I can't deal with it right now because of the stream. You were in call with me when I grabbed mine, I believe. Oh, true. Goodbye, Anthony's chair. Doesn't look like a chair. That's what I'm saying. It looks like a box to me. This chair sized. I mean, I guess so, but I thought it'd be like folded up or something. I never ordered a chair before. But I thought that this was gonna arrive on Monday, but I guess I don't order the chair and the headpiece separately, so I guess maybe that's what's arriving on Monday. It was sitting in my living room for a long time. How do you think the chair is gonna be small? Okay. You caught me. Okay, I'm a bit. I didn't think about it. Okay, it's here. That's all we need to worry about now, and it's not ready. we'll we'll see the chair eventually, maybe, maybe. But yeah, this box was really fucking big. My dad's like, "You got a delivery." I'm like, "Oh, cool. Is it like a plushie or something?" Like I go outside, and it's just a big ass box on the front lawn. I'm realizing your sack boy is transparent on the head too. Can you see me through it, or is it just like the ears? Like I think you can see through the ears. Oh, yeah, you can't see through the. You can see my arm through it. Okay. Is my face revealed? You can see my face moving around in its forehead. Oh shit, it's funny. Anyways, let's not get distracted. Did the Thank you, Lip, for typing into chat for voice chat. This has been chat for voice chat showing up on stream. Let's get out of here. If you pick your nose, we'll see it. Well, good thing I never pick my nose ever, except for that time that I had to blow my nose and there was cement powder in there. Okay, we must stay focused. So what was happening here? This texture. Wait, is it working? This looks like my stream in this icon right here. How do I configure this? What was I doing? Open. Check in. What does check in do? Hey. I don't know what that did. Now it's black. What did I do? Did I break it? Was it working? Check out. Open. It was working. I clicked on something that I didn't understand and now it's not there. Check in, check out. You gotta make a material with a texture on it. Material. How do I put the texture on the material? Just go click and drag? I don't know what I'm doing. Surface input, surface mode. Added. What does this mean? Click on the box next to base map. Base map. Oh, that's probably like selecting a thing. It's loading. Select the NDI texture. I'm so glad my chat's smarter than me. Thank you, Metro. A thing just opened up and then disappeared. Where did it go? The dot next to the box? Oh, NDI texture. Well, that should not have. This should not have this. I guess we'll have two streams on there. So once we fix the NDI texture, we'll see what's going on. Metro's smarter than you. I'm not sure about the rest of the chat. I mean, they know a lot about eating cement, right? I know nothing about eating cement. If it's a competition in that regard, y'all win. So what is wrong with this texture? Dimension 2D, size, color format, depth stencil. You did teach everyone. You're like you're a teacher of many things. Highly skilled, highly knowledgeable, highly full of cement. Why is this not working? This said something different last time we looked at it, right? Like if I make a new texture, create rendering a texture. Wait. Did I change something OBS? I don't think so. I clicked on the thing here, like if I look at it again, there was on this material texture. There was this button. I clicked on check in. This window came up. I was like, what is this window? I was like, A. And I clicked check in, and then it went from. It turned to black. I don't even know what check in means. Undo. Yes. Well, okay. Let's check OBS again. Tools. Main output. OBS. Okay. What is this? Hi Jaska. This is in Unity right now, trying to rebuild our overlay from within Little Big Planet to now within Unity. So let's look at our texture. MDI render texture, shadow sampling, bilinear. Let's make another texture. What was it? Where's textures again? Assets, game object, component. I don't remember. Create material, 2D, animation, rendering, render texture? This looks different than what I was looking at before. Can't play LBP if we use the layout for it. It is true, but also LBP is kind of busted right now. It's not really an option to play online anymore. Oh, I just realized I misunderstood what you were saying. Yeah, you can't play LBP if you use the layout for it. But also, yeah, yeah, editing the Little Big Planet layout is really annoying because of the you're restricted to what you're doing within the engine, and I'd like the video feed to be part of the overlay so we can like modify it with the overlay at the same time, as opposed to just having it be like a square we put, a rectangle we put on OBS. Let me think about what did I do here? Undo. Why does this look different now? Shout out to LVP for having multiple SRCE exploits. I love this game. It's so sad. Why can't the game we love be secure? Anyways, welcome to stream, Jazka. Thanks for coming your 7th horse of the month. And thank you for being more say-so than freaky today. I appreciate that. Hey, but don't worry, I still appreciate the freaks too. But instead of saying I appreciate you, I'll just say congratulations. Wow, Lithir also say so today. Congratulations. I mean, I appreciate you for that. I just did the opposite of what I said I was gonna do. Okay, let me look at the documentation again because I'm very clearly lost. Yeah, this one. NDI receiver script. Oh, was I looking at the wrong thing? Was that it? I was just looking at NDI. Okay. Oh my god! Why is it upside down? Guys, that's the stream, dude. This is like, why is this so low FPS? It's a start. It's a start. Hold on, let's rotate this. That's the wrong way. 180. That's also the wrong way. Wait, which way do I rotate this? Oh! 90. No. Negative 90. Not that way. Not that way either. Am I stupid? There's only 3 ways to rotate this, right? Surely I could get it right eventually. Need to mirror it? Are you sure? That's gonna rotate it 180 degrees, right? I fucking hate Euler rotations. I don't understand. Maybe like a bit of a 90, and then a 90, and then a negative 90, and then I don't know what I'm doing. Is there just a fucking click and drag rotate tool? Surely there is, right? How do I apply a transformation? On the toolbar, where am I looking? Wireframe, draw mode, top left to the scene view. Oh ho. Aha! Why is it so low res? I wonder if there's I hope there's settings to make this look better. But guys, look, it's the stream in the stream. That's you guys. This is not Twitch chat, not yet. Oh yeah. This is awesome. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my god. Look, it's you guys down there. There's, I think that's Aki. Whose name is that? Is that me? Is this Anthony Moore? It's so funny to me. 240p. I think it's less than 240p. This might be like 1p. You can change the res and the render texture, maybe? Let's see. Let's clean this up a little bit. Why is the scale different? Negative 260 something. Alright, we'll fix that angle later, actually. And the texture... Size... Is it size? Like, what if we just like multiply this by 4 right now? Oh my goodness! Well, what's the reasonable limit of this? Well, now it's readable. What about the frame rate? 1920 by 1080? Yeah, that's probably a good option. I was just trying to like make it bigger, see what happens. Welcome back to stream, Jacob. Thank you for claiming your 10th horse of this month and the 2nd horse of the day. Hi, Crazy. Yo, welcome to stream. Thank you for claiming your 2nd horse of the month. Okay, so we got the stream in Unity. I guess that's a first step. Let's check my resources right now. Oh, okay, it's actually not that bad. Most of my GPU right now is going to Spirit City. Most of my CPU is going to RPCS3. OBS is quite low, and Unity is quite low in both. So I guess it's just low frame rate for a different reason. How do we set that? Can we have a 4:3 aspect ratio, please? Plans for the future. We'll do that in the future. Not right now. This is actually a crazy site. I actually didn't know if we could get this working today. What if we just have the stick? We just keep it like tilted like this, slightly off. Like, is that good for the stream? Like, wait, hold on. Wee. Can I stream like this? Okay, so let's see if we can increase the the frame rate. Sorry, I'm mesmerized by this. Okay, let's see. Anthony discriminating against those on watching those watching on CRTs. Hey, I'm a CRT enjoyer. Okay, change the resolution to of the stream or of the texture. So the texture should be like, what was that? 1920 by 1080. 1920 by 1080. I'm not sure if it has to be like a square or not. Okay, it looks fine right now. Oh my god, there's Shadester, there's Powerbread, there's Iliano, there's Crazy Yo, there's Perfect. You guys are all in Unity right now. That's crazy. Sorry, this is so exciting. I like how this one's just kind of fucking stretched because it's not supposed to be like that. Okay, so let's figure this out. This is awesome. This is sick. I can't wait to like make this interactable and just like start blowing the shit up. I wonder if the frame rate is in the receiver. Let's see. NDI thing, texture, NDI name, target texture. These are all the settings we have. Take a sip of my drink. Okay. Low frame rate in NEI texture is a common issue. You can usually improve it significantly with a few key changes in Unity, OBS, and system settings. Let's see. On the Unity side, set the render texture to match input resolution FPS. Select your render texture in the project tab. Project tab. What the heck is a project tab? But let's look at my texture. Set the size to match your output. Okay, do that depth buffer to no depth buffer if not needed. Is that a setting here? Depth stencil format. I don't know what that means. Color format. I don't know what this means. Maybe I shouldn't be clicking on this stuff. What is this information? There's so many options. Oh, excuse me. Enable compatible format. What if I don't want to be compatible? I don't know what that means. Anti-aliasing. I don't know. Maybe. Dimensions. Oh, oh. Dimensions. What does 3D do? I don't think I did anything. 2. Frame is just low. Whee. I mean, if I can do this, it looks pretty fluent. Is it gonna make the, Wait, does the frame rate increase as I do things? Wait, hold on, let's see. Let's just test this out. I mean, it looks smooth now. Is it just because we're in scene view? Is that it? And like once I start doing things that need a higher frame rate, it'll render it in a higher frame rate. Yeah, look, I stop moving. Start moving. Stop moving. Aha! Okay, okay. So then the question is now, Unity scene view. I guess not that this matters. Like, we could probably just like do this in game view, I guess. That looks pretty static to me. If you run it, be on full speed. Constantly vibrating stream, yeah. I mean, game view is game view different from actually running it? Because it still doesn't look like it's updating right now. Make it a redeem. It's just like, wee. Wait, hold on. Wee. It only updates when the game is running. I see. Yeah, just out of curiosity, I want to see if I can make the scene view have a higher frame rate. Scene view. Set frame rate. There's an always update thing. Where would I find such a thing? Edit project settings. Let's see. Time to research. Today's been an incredibly exciting day. Block's having a lot of fun with stream websites. What's Block doing right now? I haven't been paying attention really. Are you beating people up? Hey, wait, violence! I saw Tristan die! Edit preferences, general, make sure interaction mode is set to default. Edit preferences. Little tiny window, what's this? Why is it so small? General. Make sure interaction mode isn't set to default. Interaction mode is not set to default. That does dynamic refresh to viewport on. Change it to monitor refresh to always updates. Monitor refresh. Okay. Pikmin fireworks. Yippee! Oh, it still looks not smooth to me. Maybe it's Do I have to like restart Unity for that? Let's save the project. I don't know if it's gonna apply immediately or if I did not hit apply. Preferences. General. Let's see what happens if we restart. Like, I don't know if it's just like you have to restart to apply the settings kind of thing. Oh boy, this is so exciting! Still no dice. Okay. If we're jiggling it though, we can see y'all doing stuff. We could just have something on screen moving in a circle the entire time. And that doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. We got it working technically. I think that is enough progression to mark that as at least like a partial completion, right? Also this is done. These are all old things though. I need to work that later. This is not a priority right now though. Overlay. We added a video source to the overlay. Yeah, just press the play button. Yeah, let's see. Oh my god, chat, it's you! You guys, look at you guys, you're so cute! Let's go! We're watching stream on stream! Okay, next order of business. We need, hey, no Jorkin, hey, oi! Hey. Jorkin on stream. No! Stop! Cease! Okay, let's stop this. I can control the frame rate with my mouse. 1 frame per click. Make the material unlit. Yeah, ChatGPT said I should do that too, but I just wanted to see what it looked like with lighting first. Is that the material property? It's not all shiny. Wait, does this even have the material? NDI material, it does. How do I edit this? Change the shader at the top of the material. What do we got here? Custom? Test shader. Unlit. Sure. Interesting. I think there might be room in the future for like special lighting effects if I want to do something silly, but I think for most general normal streams you probably wouldn't want lighting on it, right? Because if the stream is about the gameplay, you want to make sure the gameplay looks clear. If the stream's gonna be about like, I don't know, something cinematic, or like we're doing something silly with it, then we can have some lighting effects. Okay, so let's mark that as done. Now we gotta add chat. I don't know if we have enough time. I actually have to go pretty soon. Lighting's gonna make it look weird regardless. Big old glare on the screen. That is true. If I ever want some interesting lighting effect, we'll definitely have to workshop it a lot before it actually like. We wouldn't want to just like turn it on and then go on stream and just be like, "Oh, this is what we're doing." We have to like make sure it looks good first. What is this checklist thing? This checklist is within what's the game? The game is called Spirit City Lo-Fi Sessions. It is a game, quote-unquote game. It's not really any gameplay. It's just a tool to be productive. It'll put some calm music on. I also have some nice fireworks sound effects. Actually, let's switch it up. Turn off the rain. Turn off the fireworks. The fireplace. Let's listen to a soothing wind. That is not. Oh, I don't like that. Never mind. How about some rumbling thunder? That's not relaxing either, actually. A gentle snowstorm. There. Motion blur stream? What do you mean? Is it blurry right now, or are you saying like on Unity? Is there a Metal Shop sound effects pack? Actually, I don't know. Is there brown noise, pink noise? What's pink noise? Dishwasher, distant cityscape, ocean serenade, holiday melodies. I don't think they have what you're looking for, and I also don't know if they have like custom sounds. Anyways, I'd like to have this on in the background of the productivity streams because it has a nice checklist built in. It gives you XP and shit too when you get things done. You want to hear hammers on steel and welding? The clang, clang, clang. I'm getting things done. No custom sounds. Why bother? Fair point. True, true. Maybe let's see if there's a workshop. We're not gonna distract for too long. Let's see if there's a workshop for this. Wait. Would it just be on here? Would there be a workshop tab? Let's look at Binding of Isaac. Workshop. Huh. No workshop. How sad. I'm not really vibing with the snowstorm. Night Forest. Ding, ding, bang, bang, There's also pets in this, but I just use the default cat with 3 eyes. I saw Aki was fucking playing this game off stream, collecting all the pets and decorating her room. Like, it's at that point you're just treating it like a game. It's no longer a productivity tool. I was working hard, right. I wouldn't be surprised if Aki has everything unlocked in this. The game is a trap. Yeah, that's why I only have it on for the vibes. Back to work. You wanted to make it cuter for next stream? Right. When's your next productivity stream? Is it planned out? Is it scheduled? Press X to doubt. Okay. Next order of business. You want to get chat on screen. So I'm looking at this tutorial. I'm just gonna copy this onto this right here so we can watch it together. Next Sunday with me, yeah! Aki, if we can get things done, then sure, but I don't know, you've been known to not wake up in the morning sometimes. I wake up, right. Co-op Jorkan stream? No. Productivity. It's the progression session where we get things done. The man speaks the truth. Yeah, we have our intentions, but like, yeah, I keep it honest sometimes. Sometimes things don't get done. Though our last productivity stream was pretty good and productive, but it was also like not during the morning. Like, I think we can get things done if we're in the same room, but if one person's asleep, is it really a co-op stream? We only have one productivity stream together and we got stuff done. Yes, of course. Like I'm saying, the vibe works, but does the timing work? Lucky, it's time to stream. Fake news. Okay. He lying. I'm not paying attention to this video at all. What are we doing? A gentle untuck and I'm ready to go. I've heard that one before. Okay. Streamers chat. Oh, can I make 7TV work? I really hope I can get 7TV working with this too. My biggest gripe with stream avatars is that 7TV doesn't work with it. what time were you supposed to stream this morning again? Was she late to her own stream? Oh, did she? I thought Aki usually has that stream starting at like from this hour to this hour, so she gives herself like a 3-hour window. Is that why we don't have text bubbles anymore? Actually, not just that. If it were possible, I would set it up so that the little guys, little Pikmin, only do emotes. I don't like when they have the text bubble because it takes a lot of space and it's a bit visually messy. But if I could set them to emote only and 7TV emotes worked, then I'd love to have that. Because I feel like it makes it feel like you, the chatter, are more expressive, you know? But that wasn't an option. Oh, they had 4, so I'd wait till later. I see. Ooh. You should set this chat to emote only so you can finish watching the damn video. Hey, hey, hey! Quiet in the back. I did, in fact, pause the video to read your message. Twitch chat. Alright, let's do what he does. Create. Script. We'll improve our organization here later. Tutorial info, what's that? Twitch, I can't spell Twitch. Chat. Doom 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 doom. What? They opened this in my fucking okay. I guess that's fine. VS Code. Using okay. Hey! Why are you throwing stuff blocked? At a time like this where we must lock in. Okay, let's add our usings. Wait. How come when he made the script, it had these things already? Some of these things already. Mine doesn't. Wait, how did he create the script? Is there like a way to do it that has the default stuff in it? Create C# script. That's what I did, right? Create. I guess I went to scripting and then empty C# script. Why is his different? Create. Not that it matters too much. I could just like add all the includes, but I'm curious as to why it's different. Whatever. Okay. Let's put this on the side so I can open up the code. What? There you go. Using Unity Engine, using system.collections. Using system. I think I just copy this. Dot generic. Using system.net.sockets. Using system.io. Using Unity Engine .ui. Everyone go to sleep. It's the boring part of stream where we just do code. So boring. Public class Twitch chat. What does it say? Mono behavior. I don't remember what that means. It's been so long since I've done code like this. Mono behavior. And he just has update right now. What is the input field? What does serialized field mean? I don't think I need to know what it means right now, but I do want to look it up. Force Unity to serialize a private field. When Unity serializes your scripts, it only serializes public fields. If you also want Unity to serialize your private fields, you can add a serialized field attribute to those fields. Serializes all your script components, reloads a new assembler. Automatic process of transferring data structures again into a format that Unity can store and reconstruct later. Oh, okay. Hi Ruru, thanks for coming your 7th horse of the month. Welcome to our progression session where we make stuff and get things done. Look, here's a little preview. Look, it's Twitch chat. It's you guys. You're in my Unity engine. My horse is fucking old. Old horse on its last leg, yeah. Okay, let's get back to coding. Also, lore update for those who aren't aware. Ruru is now Furu VT. And I don't know what to call you now, because I'm just used to the name Ruru, because it rolls off the tongue really well. But now you're Furu. Do we change you to Furu? Wait, also, your 7TV has to be renamed. Oh, goodness gracious, so much to do. We'll figure it out later. I might just call you Ruru for now. Say however you want? Okay, okay. Actually, it probably wouldn't be Furu, it'd be Furu, right? Am I the only person who says Furu instead of Furu? I feel dumb. If that's the wrong thing. Okay. Not Furu, that's another to the list of names mispronounced. You say Furu? Okay, it's Furu it is! It's just silly. Actually, like, now that I think about it, like, the name, like, F-U-R-R-U, like, that looks like a typo, right? Because isn't, like, U is right next to Y on the keyboard, so you'd think it's, like, furry, but you misspelt it, because you fat-fingered. Oh my god, look how blurry Yoshi is. Focus. That's Ruru. What is Ruru with 2 R's? How do you pronounce that? Ruru? Woo woo furry fururu furu. Oh no, you trapped in ads hell. I didn't realize where. Wait. I guess for my Sunday streams I don't pay attention to the ad breaks. Sorry about that. Because I gotta stay focused. I keep getting distracted. If I focus on ads too, I'm gonna be doing nothing the whole time. What do I have open? There's this video. I need to open my stream manager. I should at least pay attention to when ads happen. That's on me. My bad. I'm a bad streamer. Free from ad dimension. I forgot what I said. I think like I said isn't like I was saying that the name F-U-R-R-U looks like a typo because Y is right next to U on the keyboard, so it looks like you fat fingered it when you're trying to write furry. Which, you know, might as well claim that as your name lore, right? It sounds believable. Alright. Serialized field. Let's see. I've never done serialized field before, I think. Maybe I have. The syntax is unfamiliar to me though. Input, what did he write this? Input field is the type, interesting. User field. Pass field. Then you have to explain the whole Russia thing? Wait, what's the Russia thing? Russia thing? What? I guess I'm behind on Ruru lore, my bad. Channel. Field. Oh, burping. For Ru. Oh, is that it? You have so many options for fake lore. You should claim all of them, and every time someone asks, just give them a different answer. Eventually, no one will understand who you are. Wait, maybe that's not a good thing. Ru is Russian flag emoji. It's used for it to be Tom Ru. I see. Interesting. Private text title text and chat text. What is TCP client? Private TCP client. Twitch client. He's going so fast. That's exactly what I'll do. He'll never know. That's the lore you made up. No one will ever know the real reason. Okay, okay. You can go and whisper into my ear. I'll tell nobody. Don't worry. I'll wink. Private stream reader. What the heck is a stream reader? Reader. Private stream writer. What the heck is a stream writer? All these types that I've never heard of before. Y'all do that thing where you give variables silly names that no one will ever see, except that you guys would see it because you're my chat watching me do this. Now we're in update. Oh, making a method. Public void chat connect. Okay. Are y'all team bracket next to the method name or bracket under on the next line? I personally love bracket on the next line. It makes your code look longer. String username equals. I can't find the equal sign. There it is. Tab bracket. Wait, which one was that? I'm assuming you mean the next line. User field dot text. Is that? Wait, why is this red? Does not exist in the current context. I spelled it wrong. That's why. The next three of these, by the two of these, I mean, got password and we got channel. Oh, that would be enter tab. Oh. Wait, you press tab and then bracket after this, like that? Like instead of just like right after, like that? Interesting. If that's what you mean, it's interesting. I've never seen that before. Or you're just trying to be quirky and strange. I mean, I will never judge someone's code too harshly, unless I have to use your code for something. But, you know, whatever works for the individual. Oh, he's like all in one line? Wait, damn you, Twitch. Oh, what if you tried to format didn't work? You know, if you're having trouble, you can always draw it in MS Paint and send me a picture. Yeah, that'll help me. Remove your spaces. I assume you have a bunch of spaces between whatever and code. Twitch client. Twitch client equals new. What is it, caps? TCP client. I love constructors. irc.chat.twitch.tv 6667. What does that mean? Oh, I'm so lost. Chat.twitch.tv 6667. Reader and writer. I'll guess so. I forgot about this tedious part of coding where you just gotta write a bunch of things that set things to certain things. Show me the logic, that's the fun part. Twitch client dot get stream. Oops. I used to know how to like touch type for all the things on the number row, but that was also on my other keyboard, which feels a little bit different. And I don't really have the feeling for it. So I just tried to do like left parenthesis, right parenthesis. Instead, I got right parenthesis minus or underscore. Reader, writer, stream. Oops. Writer. The 320 feet of rope has been dispatched. It says it's arriving on the 21st. Let's go! Let's go! You're probably only gonna need like a few feet of rope, but you're gonna be thanking me when that 315 feet of extra rope comes into use. I don't know how, but it will someday. Okay. Just imagine like you used to be like, damn, I just all this extra fucking rope it's laying everywhere. I can't get rid of it. Where would I even put it? I equals not equals 0 tab bracket tab code. Yeah, I get what you're saying. I've never seen someone do it like this before though. Netting for the plushies. That's a good, excellent choice. Excellent choice. So that that the extra 300 feet of rope then I gotta find use for it too. 320 feet is so much rope. Don't know. I don't think I've never seen someone do it like this before, but I don't really see a problem with it. Sayori Cosmic Ruru, no! Ruru, no! 07 Ruru. I don't know when I have to go. I'm supposed to get like dinner with my family around 5, but I don't know if that's leaving at 5 or like we're there at 5 or like we're vibing it out around 5. I'm not sure. We'll figure it out. Why did I let this sackboy talk me into buying so much rope? Ruru, I paid for the rope. I was on your throne. You should not complain about a free gift. Oh ho ho. Try shooting it. With a gun? Like, what do you mean? Not the most consistent target. Right or right line? Right line. Pass. Plus password. Writer dot right line. Nick. What, Nick? Like nickname? What's going on here? Let me rephrase it. Why did I let you? Why did I let you convince me to put it on my throne? You silly goose. You just, I don't know. I don't have the answers you're looking for, I guess. But look at where we are now. You got free stuff, and you get to do cool things with free stuff, and your plushies are gonna have a new home, and your Yoshi's gonna look awesome. In quotes, oops. Nick plus, there should not be a comma here. Username. This guy told me I should practice Shibara myself. I didn't say that. That's not that. I don't know who said that. Someone said that. It wasn't me. It must have been Anthony Mimic. Okay. No one named Anthony said that. Writer dot right line. Get Zane out of work. I need to pay for it. Twitch. Wait, did you not do it yet? You're a sub right now. Wait, did Zane really make me say he's my favorite mod and then not give you a sub, or does it have to like you have to wait till it ends or something? I don't know. I don't know how it works. What's my freak store today? I forget what it was, but it wasn't good. It was I think it was like 10% say so and like 30% freaky, something like that. There's one day left on your sub. I see. I have evidence that Anthony that says otherwise. Anthony, not listening. Yeah, I should add. What's it called? I should add a thing that will tell you what my score of the day was. It should be pretty easy to do. Maybe we'll do that next progression session. No, actually no. I can do that in my own time. It should be a pretty short task, not worth putting on stream. Where I'll just if you do, should I do it such that if you do say so a second time, it'll just say your score, or should it? Do we like it that it says only one say so check per stream? I could do like say so then at, and then it'll show their score, but I don't know. If only Anthony had an Anthony the Look channel. Hey! We don't talk about that channel. It should show your previous score in your opinion. Okay. I'll workshop it then. We'll probably get rid of the only one per stream thing, and just show what it already said. It should be easy to do. I think since I'm already storing the value, or I'm not storing it, but I'm just adding it to previous score. I could just then add that same value to a personal currency for the user, which resets every stream. In my mind, it's easy to do. I'll take care of that. Aki Peak. This is a great time to mention that the Aki Peak emote, she did in fact use the wrong peak, P-E-A-K instead of P-E-E-K. I changed my mind. This screenshot incriminates me as well. Post it. If only I had. It's not like I have incriminating screenshots of Ruru. It's peak. You're right. It is. You're right. Oh. I no need to look at the fact that I got 7 pings right now. Okay. That's just normal screenshots? You're right. Word. I haven't read any code in the past 5 minutes, not even my code. It's this from this video, so to copy it. User. Oops. What the fuck? Plus. User. Oops. Wait. Username plus. What does it say? 8? 8? Why 8? What does that mean? Interesting. Anthony would never betray me like that? Of course not. I'm not that. You know, as much as I like to joke about it, I think by being in the highest position of trust, you have the greatest capacity to cause harm. It's a big responsibility that you must treat with care, otherwise you don't deserve that trust, you know? Username plus space 8 space star space, colon, and no space. Plus username. He did pay to make me suffer, never forgiving for what he did to my ass. Context, the bomb hot sauce. Oh, like literally to your ass. Sorry, you saying I'm not forgiving what you did to my ass is a very sus comment. Thank you for adding the additional context. Roo, hot sauce is great. Actually, I actually really don't like spicy food, but but the spicy food is very funny when you make people eat it. It's too loud. Why are you in a bikini in the cage? You are the first person to ask this. Hey, I forgot that you're in a bikini in that one. It's not my fault. Oh, that reminds me. Well, actually, that doesn't. That made me realize. The emotes still say Ruru, even though it's like. Oh, it says Furu because of the channel name, but the name of the emote itself is still Ruru Cage. That's kind of funny. I don't know if you're gonna keep it that way, if that's intentional, or if you just haven't thought about it. I just happened to notice it. Wait, if it's not your fault, whose fault is it? May change if you're not lazy. I see, I see. Right. Writer dot right line. Join. It's Nai's fault? Okay, but who added it to the channel? I'm just kidding, that's not the question. Why did she put you in a bikini? Join number. Plus channel. Right flush. Right or flush. Parentheses. Semicolon. Private void read chat. Interesting. To the quotes it goes. Never forgiving what he did to my ass. We do have quotes enabled, I think. I don't know how to do it though. That's on y'all if you want to play with that. Actually, I think only VIPs can quote. So I don't remember. We was talking. Talks of bikinis and cages. Tell me, did you ask for the bikini or did you ask for the cage? Dude, it was that one time it broke during Shishi. That was so chaotic. I have no idea why that happened. I also don't know why it didn't happen again later. Actually, I want to find that clip. That was so fucked up. But since then, I've disabled stream elements from doing quotes, and I think I enabled it on Mix It Up. Hopefully, it'll never break again. But we'll see what happens. Ugh. What a good stretch. I was asking about what I would wear for a bathing suit. I think because it was on a show. I said a one piece, and then I drew that. That is not what a one piece is. The bikini's the one that's not a one piece. I guess she just drew what she wanted. It didn't matter what your answer was. I converted my Windows 10 install to Enterprise, so it gets updates till 2032. Wait, that's sick. Holy shit. We staying in Windows 10 for this one, baby. Skipping Windows 11. By the time it's time to update to 11, Windows 12 will be out. I also told me to job that he or she drew the bars big enough to where I was choosing. Wait. He drew the bars big enough to where I was choosing to stay there intentionally. Wait, let me look at it again. I mean, they're pretty close together. You can't fit between that. By the time I have to wait, I'll be dead by the time I have to switch. No, live a long, healthy life, betcha, or extend it indefinitely. Never matters what my answer is. I'm stuck in reality where my choices have no meaning. You could have chosen not to add the emote, but clearly this is a fate you wanted. private void. It is a very good emote. Actually, I like it a lot. It's really funny. I'll say it's kind of funny as like oh Ruru is like malding right now. Post the cage emote, but I think it has a different meaning if you post the emote. Cause now it's like you're like I'm in the cage and I'm wearing a bikini. Like, oh, word. Private void, read chat. String message. My voice cracked. Equals reader dot read line. So much meaning can be used. Yeah, yeah. You know what? Maybe that makes a good emote. You can, depending who uses it, changes what it means. It's like Ruru Pounce. Yeah, get rid of some of the Boy Kisser ones. If you want to move past the Boy Kisser identity, then I can change your 7TV emote as well. But I do like that emote a lot. I think it's really cute. Stay away from Ruru Pounce, but it's so good. It's so funny. Did you? I mean, were you like expecting people to use it how they use it? I thought it was like a pretty like cut and dry. Like, of course, that's how it's gonna get used. What am I doing? Read line. If message contains ping. Ooh. Dot contains. The Boy Kisser ones are good, but if I ever want more slots, I have to get rid of those first. Gotcha, gotcha. Makes sense. If message contains ping, writer.writeLine pong. What the heck does that mean? I did not think people were gonna fuck my email like that. The Ruru, it's literally lined up perfectly. Ping. Writer dot write line. Oops. I never should have cropped the full drawing. I don't know how you would even. I mean, it has to look like you're pouncing for it to be Ruru Pounce, right? I think it's just an unfortunate reality of that kind of emote. Unless you can think of another way to have a pounce kind of vibe. I have no idea. I didn't see that. Oh, I guess like if it's like you in the air mid jump, like with your paws up, then that could be like a pounce kind of thing without it being so devious in nature. No! Imperfect, how could you? Put that tongue away! Maybe if I closed the mouth and made it more angry or something. I think people... Yeah, that probably would help. It certainly doesn't help that your mouth is open like that. Or the full drawing on all fours. Yeah. Hey, what are you doing, Lith? There's a no jork zone. Pong colon. Where the fuck is the semicolon? My hand was off the home row. TMI.twitch.tv. Let me see. This guy explain this. If you want to let chat messages with ping through, you could add another condition that checks that a string doesn't contain. Wait, what does that mean? When I think of the action of pouncing, I don't think of that position. I mean, I can see it as like they're about to pounce, but I guess if you're describing a pounce, I'm gonna imagine like them already in the air. My phone is vibrating. What? Oh, interesting. Maybe I'm not going out for dinner. Maybe they're having a family dinner here. I'm not sure. Ooh. It was kind of meant to be like a cat. My cat specifically. I see, I see. He puts his arms in front of him, then shakes his ass when he gets ready to pounce. Oh, yeah, yeah, cats do that, yeah. This is for chat interaction, not for showing chats? Oh, wait. If the message contains a certain thing, then do a certain thing. Oh, I see, okay. Chat text dot text plus equals message. So this whole ping pong thing, that seems like just a for fun thing. We can skip that part, but I would like to hear what he says about it though. Mine just looks like an egg cow face. I mean, I think at a glance I don't notice a tongue sticking out, but yeah, when you zoom in a little bit, yeah. Yeah, if he's talking about ping pong for like keeping the user active, I guess we do need this. If you want to let chat messages with ping go through, you could add another condition. Okay, so then by doing this, if you type the word ping, I think, is the message not going to go through? Or that part of the message? Let's do that again. If you want, another condition that checks the string doesn't contain private message. We'll keep this in mind. Your company, lethal. I think the emo is too iconic to get rid of. If we were caged, it would be uproar if they try to overthrow my company again. Wait, what do you mean your company? I can see chat writing, but is your Twitch culture that you're running a company and all your chat are your workers? That's kind of fire actually. Furu Corp, I see. Oh, it's all I see it now. For my chat, I kind of like to think of it as like, we're all in it together. Like I may be the one running the stream, but like it's our combined knowledge that makes anything actually get done. We're like ants. I'm like, no, not like ants. 'Cause I don't want to be seen as no fucking queen ant giving birth. I take it back. Just like yours, but your idea is more corporate. Mine's more like, oh, what are we doing? Anthony, can you pay me? I'm unemployed. Metro, I can pay you with pictures of plushies. That's all like my budget is currently $0. In fact, our budget has actually been cut once again. Instead of pictures of plushies, I'm gonna have to just like put it on the Yoshi cam. You can go ahead and take a screenshot. Is that good enough for you? Here's the Godot robot. Look at him. I love this guy. He sits on my windowsill. Pay Mecha $20.23. My awesome unpaid interns didn't remind me that I need to do simple stuff like make commands, then I'd be screwed. Oh, if they didn't remind you, I see. Speaking of which, I also have to do song request stuff. Actually, I see. Oh, hi Leona Kokoro. Welcome to stream. We are doing coding right now. I think in my chat the vibe was a little bit different, because like people didn't really ask for a lot of things I added, but they were like, "Hey, now that you added it, it's really cool. Let's use it now." Like nobody said we should do the fucking horse redeem. The Trojan horse has been pulled 5 times this stream. Ooh, I haven't been paying attention. I've been thinking about it, but I think it'd be too much work to like have the stream keep track of which horses have been pulled. That's like a lot of work to add to the current system, though. I don't think I'd want to go through that, but it would be fun, I think. Yeah, more specifically, Eliano, it's not just coding. What are we coding for? It's this. We're trying to get our Twitch stream onto the onto Unity. So if we go ahead and run this, so you can see the stream running in within Unity. It's a bit sloppy right now. We're gonna replace this right side rectangle with a Twitch chat instead of just being a video feed. How did you decide on horses as your check-in? It's because in the early days of the Anthony Discord, Lith kept horse reacting all of my messages to like I guess annoy me, and we thought it was pretty funny. So I just like, all right, daily horse. It was supposed to be more like a horse reaction if you're a daily horse, but then the culture changed to be like, oh, we're collecting horses now. It's kind of funny though, because a lot of people associate me with horses now, even though I'm not really a horse person. I just think they're funny. Okay, oh, not this one. Back to the code. Actually, I have the card somewhere. Where is it? So like, for those who are like, who weren't part of that Otaku stream, she did a giveaway for some stickers, and I won the giveaway. And she sent me this card. Can I even show this on here? That's unreadable. Whatever. The card, it's like Otaku thanking me for like supporting her and all that. And she also said, she wrote on the card, "Whose horse is that?" Anthony. Oh, that was really funny. I'll send a picture of it later, because you can see it more clearly on the Discord. Yeah, I thought, even though Otaku associates me with horses. There's also a group of ferrets called a group of ferrets is called a business. Kind of close to dogs. Well, I don't know how close, but I like the spirit, Ruru. You used the horse reaction because you thought it was funny. It was funny, but did you think at the time that it becomes such a long-lasting part of our culture? I'm so hungry. I could eat a what now? They have 4 legs, close enough. That's like the same kind of logic I pulled when I said that Aki's Roblox character is now a horse on the weekly horse redeem. Oh, I'm tired. My gamer subs is not caffeinated enough. I'm gonna eat Aki's Roblox avatar. No! No, do not say vor. It's not vor. If anything, it is I don't know, hunting. Is eating a Lego figure vor? I am going to say no. I would prefer the answer to be no. I'm committing to no. I'm locking it in. No, it's not vor. I mean, unless you think of your Lego figurines in that certain special way, which I hope is not the case. I guess to each their own, but like, I'm not gonna yuck your yum. It's not for me. I'm gonna, yeah, going 3 times. My answer is no. It's not vor. Nobody will ever get the Anthony Blitzel. I haven't added it yet, so I forgot to. Maybe next progression session I'll like add a bunch of mini tasks that we can get done. We have to fix some of the redeems. They're not broken, they just need to have some small changes. We also have to add some horses. Really, it's only like 2 minutes, maybe even 1 minute to add a horse, but yeah, it's effort that I'm lazy. I'm so lazy. Oh god, that was such a gross burp. I'm so sorry. Okay. So they wrote ping pong, rider flush, return /r/n within the quote. Oops. And then writer.flush, then return. When is anything going to add the horse race gamble redeem? That's actually like something I've been thinking about for a long time, but I just don't know what I would do for that. Like, it'd be such a fire idea, and it's super topical right now because everyone loves the horse race tests. But I don't know what a horse race on my stream would look like. Like, maybe if we get like really into it, we could program something like a little game that can run on stream. But we're a long ways away from that kind of thing. Like we just started today, the overlay. What do you mean wait horse races? Do you not know about the Twitter horse races? It's just a thing that's been going on Twitter. It's really this guy, what's his name? Like Andrew something, I forgot. Some guy on Twitter made this like game that's just a bunch of little horse icons which bounce around in a maze. Oh, you haven't seen it? Okay, I'll send it to you sometime. Like, you'll look at it, you might think it's dumb, but it's like, it is dumb, but it's just like such a simple, enjoyable thing that people can look at together and be like, damn, this is fire, and it gained a lot of traction. You'll make an HRT overlay, a horse race test. That'd be pretty fire. It's the horse racing. Yeah, I'll send it to you sometime, Ruru. What do you mean by you'll make it, Metro? Like, are you willing to develop that kind of thing for the stream, or like just like actually, it's not just like a horse race game we'd have to make. If you're down for that kind of thing, I really appreciate that, and I'll definitely try to get it to work, and we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. But also, something I mentioned with Aki too is like all the horses are just like they're just recorded in text, like they just have a name. But I would like some visual representation for each horse. But there's a lot of horses in there already. It'd take a long time to draw all of them. But maybe we'll get it done over time. If we do one horse a week, we'll be done in 100 weeks. Wait, that's like 2 years. Oh shit. Okay, we're limiting our time budget to 30 seconds per horse drawing. The old horse dying is in the Yamcha position. What's the Yamcha position? I need to look this up. Oh yeah. Fucking this. No. Get up. Get up. Everyone draws a horse will be done in no time. If we can make it a community effort to get a simple drawing done for every horse in the gacha. And also, like, it'd be a continuous thing for the new horses too. But like, he's like, all right, everyone, put in some work, just a little bit of homework. Spend 30 seconds drawing a horse. It would get done in no time. That'd be a nice community event. We might let's write that idea down. Actually, I'll put that in the idea box. Idea box. Horse drawing community effort. Anthony Moore, that's me. I want to draw my own horse? Like an Akichi horse or like the fucking Aki's Roblox avatar horse? I'm not sure how it would choose what horses to race. That is true. There's a lot you have to think about for this system. I think if we could just make anything that's like, even no matter how shit it is, that'd be a great starting point. That's basically my whole mindset of making things for this stream is like, just do anything, just do anything. I don't care how bad it is. We're gonna make it better along the way. Thank you for the lurkies, Ruru. Oh, you know what? Someday we'll add a lurk command. I keep saying that, and it keeps being true. We don't have it. We'll have it someday. The emote already looks vaguely horse-like. Can we get much higher? Throw it up on a magma board. It might be fire. Just like write the name of the horse and then a drawing of it. I like where your mind's at. I'll also write that on the idea box. Magma board for it, maybe? Question mark? Okay. I'm tired. I assume that like any minute now I have to go. I don't know when the stream's gonna end. It's probably gonna be really abrupt when I have to leave. So we're just gonna keep going until we have to go. I don't even know if I'll have time to raid out. Hopefully we do. But if before I go I finish, I at least get Twitch chat working, then I'll probably end stream there too. Wait, what's he doing here? Chat message dot text plus equals. Okay. Chat text dot text plus equals message plus new line. You add a condition? Oh, hit rechat and update. Okay, so it's always gonna be doing this. Makes sense. Oh god. Rechat and update. If Twitch W, wait, no. If Twitch, why does it say Twitch client? Is that right? Oh, it's a typo, okay. A condition on the whole thing, if Twitch client dot available is greater than, why greater than? Greater than 0? Is there like multiple values for this? Tab this forward. Don't worry, I think if. What is that? Also invert the condition and make it return early. Oh, it's been so long since I've had to do good coding practice, you're right. Not as nested. True, okay. So we invert the condition then make a return, is that it? If not this. Yo, I'm so out of practice in coding. My current job, I'm not gonna get into what I do, but like they don't make me do nearly as much coding as I'd wish. So like I'm so rusty. So if you ever want to backseat my code, I'm not bothered by it. It's a useful practice. Wait, I'm not listening to what this guy's saying. Add the Twitch chat script to a canvas. Set the canvas as, wait. Oh, they're all just different things here. Oh, I'm full of gas. Alright, let's make a canvas. Hey, what are you doing? Oh. Not, oh, okay. Let me see that. not greater than. Oh ho! I don't know why I didn't think to do that. I guess I've never. In my head, this makes perfect sense. I don't think I've ever put a inverse on like a greater than or less than before. I mean, I've done an equal so many times. I just never. This makes perfect sense too. I've never done that before. Welcome back, Ruru. We're getting our coding good practice in. Metro's telling me to put the what's it called, like the fail early method? I forgot what it's called, like ideology. You put the return at the beginning instead of wrapping the entire thing in a condition. Equivalent to less than or equal to, but in this case it makes more sense. Oh yeah, true. That's probably why I've never done the inverse before on it. What are we doing again? Oh yeah, let's make a canvas. Honestly, this should not have the texture on it. I guess you can get rid of the texture. How do I remove? How do I delete this material or remove the material from this? Am I dumb? I still haven't secured anything to cut the rope yet. Just gonna use a big knife. I think knives are fine for cutting rope. The material's on the mesh renderer. Mesh. Wait. Material. Aha. None. Oh, not literally none. Default. It's still purple. Why is this window so small? Can I zoom in on this? There we go. Default diffuse, default material, default diffuse. What's going on with this purpleness? Is it because of the lighting thing? No. Wait, I don't know. Wrong default, I hate the names for these. Default line, default material, default particle. Woohoo! So many defaults. None. Default line. Alright, whatever. Wait, what is default line? I don't think that's what I'm looking for either. Alright, whatever. It doesn't matter for now. It's not gonna look at this later. Anyways, we just need to put a canvas on it. Is a canvas a thing in UI? It is. Put the canvas on the chat screen. I guess screen's the wrong word, huh? We can just call it chat for now. Oh! It's so huge. I forget how canvases work. Can you make them the size of something, or are they always going to be big? Yeah, I'll be right back. I gotta pee. I'll think about this in the bathroom.
Hey guys. Real Anthony Ma here again. The Oh shit, he coming back.
It doesn't take that long to piss, you know? Y'all hear something? I swear I heard something just now. Must have been my imagination. Alright, what am I doing? Canvas. Rect transform. Some values are different by canvas. Screen space, world space. I think I want this in world space, right? Was that lit? Yeah, that was. I couldn't figure out what the description was. Yeah, sorry. Sorry about that. I guess I should like control the volumes and sound effects of Discord if it's gonna happen on stream, right? Sorry about that. Width and height are massive right now. Yeah. Scale. I have to make it like 1 by 1 by 1. Where is my? There it is, way down there. Canvas. Position, width. Make it like 1 by 1. Position 0, 0, 0. There we go. Ah. I heard someone who wasn't cool like Anthony. Yeah. Why is this is this just the normal shape of it? Width and height 1, but it's not a square. Not that it matters much. 2, a 2. Oh wait. Rotation. 0, 0, 0. 90? That's probably fine. It's parented to an object that's scaled. I see. Oh, interesting. I mean the text is gonna be scaled too. Alright, let's just let's keep it simple, make it a square for now then. Oh, this angle is bothering me. Bum 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 bum. Is this upside down like -90 if I do this? -90. Oops. I think we have to like rotate this on its side by a little bit. Something like that. You can make the canvas correct size and scale to fit it. I see. Well, I was worried that like it's gonna make the text like scaled too, so I just wanted to see what it looked like if I made this as just a square. But we can fiddle with it once we got the text on screen. That's what I'll do. Also, I don't know what shape I even want it to be yet. I wonder if I can do fancy stuff with it, like make it like a squiggly shape and just like all the chat will be like like shifted left and right, but that's not the goal yet. Canvas. It's so small. Pivot? What does pivot mean? I don't know. Make chat 3:4 ratio. No! No, not yet. Ugh. What am I doing? So his canvas has a panel. Panel has username, authentication token, channel field, a bunch of different things. My eyes! Can I get an example? I don't think any of this is necessary. I'm trying to look at what this is all doing. He doesn't even show it like working, right? Trimming messages. Oh wait, no, this is it working. Never mind. I don't have this one over my head. Zero auth is authentication. I see. Wait, why wouldn't authentication be necessary? Wait, why would you even need to log in on this? Is this me logging in? So it shows my chat? Or is this a user login? You can read chat without logging in. Yeah, it's... Why is it like this? Also, why is it Northern Lion? At least listen to what he has to say. Hmm. So he's showing Northern Lion's chat in this. Why does he have to log in for that? Yeah. I mean, can I think of a reason for why I would need to log in to make this work? I don't think so. Channel. Let's look at the code again. Chat connect. Can I just have this line? Like, plus the channel? Like, is that fine? Hmm. You know how this works? Me either. I guess I might as well like just do what he does, and if it feels like it's unnecessary, I can get rid of it after and see if it works. It's just like if he's looking at Northernline's chat, I see no reason. I see no reason for him to have his own login info. Oh. Whatever. Reading chat. Okay, I guess I'll make something simple that they can just see if it's working. Yeah, don't get my OAuth on stream. You have to when you log into Chat Arena, which is what I used to look at chat. It has like an like put in your OAuth here, and then it'll like say click on here to get your OAuth, and then it says do not show this to stream. Oh, like, okay, gotcha. Wait, so panel, username field. What is this username field? I think my brain power is kind of like going downhill right now. We must power through though. Whew. Canvas, and then UI panel. So a canvas is like your entire thing. A panel is like a section that you add things, UI elements to, I think. That's right, I think. I'll take over for you while you look at it. Just give me your stream key. At this moment, I'm not trusting anyone with my stream key. I respect the attempt though, Lith. Would you rather be a furry or have to eat Burger King at least 3 times a week? What am I getting from Burger King? Is it like a full meal? So I think you're in the middle of ads right now. I guess I'll wait for the ads to go away to give you a proper answer. Those are both already happening for me. Yeah. You have to get a combo meal? Oh, fuck. How big is a combo meal? Alright, we're getting distracted one time and then we're getting back to work. Burger King combo meal. Sandwich, like a Whopper or a chicken sandwich, fries, and a drink. Alright, you call it chips. Here in America, we call it fries. I mean, I'd probably get really fat, right? But it does sound like a really good meal. What's like the healthiest combo meal you can get? Chicken sandwich, baby. Make fun of the Brit, please. Ooh, Ruru, you're so British. That's all I got. I think you can tell my brain power is going downhill. Alright, so the panel, we add some UI elements. UI. You're not even British? What the fuck? You give me bad info, Lith. Let's see. What are these things they added? Like these were already there at the start, right? Are they just and it's definitely one of those people who enjoy Burger King. One of the few people. Actually, I haven't had Burger King in a long time. Yeah, I also am vegetarian. So I do eat meat on occasion. I try to reduce how much meat I eat. So I typically wouldn't be getting, you know, fast food for fun. So if I'm like hungry or desperate, then sure. Fridge. He didn't say how he made this UI thing. What the heck is username field? Ooh. My brain's getting a little bit too tired for this. Like, I feel like I should know what these things are, but I'm slowing down. Oh, I'm yawning so much even though I just finished my my drink which had caffeine. Panel, UI, there's text. What is TMP? TMP importer. It's because the first time you're accessing Text Mesh Pro. As such, we need to add resources to your project that are essential for using Text Mesh Pro. Is that? I don't know what that means. Let's not deal with that. Panel, UI. Toggle, slider, scroll bar, scroll view, button, drop down, input field. Oh, it's all Text Mesh Pro. Twitch might let you in read only if you pass in a dummy nickname and password. That makes sense to me, I think, because like you don't need to log in to use Twitch. I'm guessing input field. Oh, it's huge. Sure, let's import TMP essentials. I use my real alt account Wiener fan 2313. Sure, why not? If we don't need this stuff, we can get rid of it later. you want my stream key as long as you promise to give it back? Word? Yeah, I'll close my eyes when I look at it, and I'll hand it back to you. No taking over the company? Of course, of course. I would never do something malicious with a secretive trusted object in my possession. Rec transform. Why is it so big? Why am I so tired? Width and height, let's make it like, no, 5 by 5. That's still quite big, 1 by 1. Wait, what is this? Text area. Panel. So many marks on the screen right now. I don't know. Let's look at chat. This is chat. Let's move chat over here. No, that was not chat. This is chat. Move chat aside. Anthony accidentally shows the stream key on stream. You'd send like Nick ABC and still pass ABC. It would act like you're not a real user, but you can still read chat. Okay. I'll put some dumb information in. Dummy information. I could just enter it here, or I could put it in when I make the UI thing. There's so much work. Let me look at the part where he chat goes here. That's just gonna be chat text, right? So I don't need to have all these authentication buttons, right? Username. Let's just comment these out. I should have copied before I commented them. I'm a fool. I want to take a nap, but I gotta get like dinner with the family in a little bit. Oh. What's your password? What's your password? ABC. Channel. Can you say like Anthony underscore Moi? I keep putting double quotes, only one. That's not an underscore. What are you doing? Get out of there. Anthony for dinner. Nope, nope, that's not what we said. That's not what we said. Private void read chat. This and that and that and this. Save. Anthony plus UA. I fixed that, right? I know I saw that. Okay, I did fix it. Is that not a saying there? No, no. Here in America, we don't say Anthony for dinner. A third smaller monitor to hold chat in? Wait. Wait. Oh, you mean like seriously? Like you say when someone comes up for dinner, you say have them for dinner? I guess you could say that. It does make sense. But oh, do we say that? I think we usually say we have someone over for dinner, not have them for dinner. I think I've heard people say that before, but not like usually. Yeah. Before I fall asleep, we have to do something. The canvas, or is it the canvas needs to have a component that is the Twitch chat script. And then me. Chat text, go. No, why didn't that work? Oh, what am I doing? I'm so tired. I've said that the Brit is not entirely insane. He's not British. I'd still eat that. Cease! Cease! There would be no eating the streamer. I don't have a text component. What? Is that not a text? That's chat. That's text, right? You have a text input field? Am I stupid? Text area. What did I add to this anyways? Input, you're right. My brain's falling apart. Delete. Alright. Onto the panel. UI. text. It's huge and it's upside down. Hi Otako, welcome to the stream. Thanks for becoming your third horse of the month. Maybe lurking. Thanks for the lurkies, Otako. Hope you're having a good time. I'm struggling to stay awake while we build our stream overlay in Unity. It's upside down. Why is it upside down? Okay, well let's just leave it as it is for now. And go to our overlay. No, our chat canvas. What did the tutorial show? Ruru, thanks for claiming your weekly horse. You got the Tetsuo horse. Let's go. Horse. Reading chat. Silence, man. He just drags it in, right? Streaming on Discord stream. Technically, I'm giving you +6 views. Thank you, Shar. Thank you for the +6. Also, hi, Sharp02. Welcome to stream. Chat tech. He just puts that in as a text field, right? Is this not text? Am I stupid? Or am I too tired to think about this? Sharp02, thank you for claiming your weekly horse. You pulled the elusive Tetris horse opener. Oh my god, that's one of my favorites. I googled Tetris horse and then I found the Tetris horse opener. It's so funny. TMP uses a different text type. I guess that's probably it. But when I add to the panel, to UI, Text Mesh Pro, where there's no just text thing, right? Legacy? Just legacy text? Chat. Canvas. Oh, okay. Okay, let's get rid of the TMP one then. Can we play Guilty Gear? I'm down to play some Guilty Gear. Not right now though. Maybe after dinner I'll hop on Scrubs. Plushie reveal. Did someone redeem a plushie reveal? Or are you saying you're too broke to do one right now? Look at this big ass text box. Spin that around. 180. Oh, there we go. TMP looks better, but its naming so fucking bad. I see. Well, if we gotta make it work better, we'll fix it at some point. We'll change it up at some point. But we're just trying to get text on the screen. Thank you, Guy, for redeeming a plushie reveal. Let me find a plushie for you real quick. Do I have a plushie to reveal that's new? Where is it? I already showed that one. You know what? Does this count? I showed this on stream earlier. It counts. It's fine. It counts. Okay. Am I presentable right now? Give me 1 second. I took a shower earlier and my hair is all frizzy. Okay. Alright. Thank you, Guy, for redeeming your plushie reveal. Here's your plushie redeem for reveal for today. I'm gonna show it because it's topical. Is this? There we go. It is the wonderful, beloved Godot plushie. We can't. Maybe a little bit controversial because today we are using Unity. I did want to make the overlay in Godot, but Unity already has some tools. Can I clean the floor? Oh my god, it's just a blanket and a pillow. I slept on the ground, I'll admit it. Also, there's another pillow on the ground. Look at him. Look at this guy. Okay. It is the Godot plushie, powered by Makeship Godot robot plushie. There were almost 4,000 of these made, so not super rare. Not the chair. Don't look at the chair. Don't look at it. Yeah, I'm a big fan of Godot because they're open source game engine and their mascot is super cute and huggable and squeezable. Oh, oh. He never said hi to us because he was sleeping on the floor. No, no. Okay. But yeah, I love Godot. I love indie devs, and I love open source things because it's free. And Unity is kind of stinky and evil, so we're gonna glaze Godot for a little bit. But yeah, this is your plush reveal for today. Oh, I'm so tired. This is not a chair review. Stop talking about the crusty ass chair, okay? I just ordered a new chair, so this is the last time you're gonna see it, okay? Don't even make fun of him. He's gonna go into the closet. No one's ever gonna see him again. Yeah, Godot is awesome because open source uh, game engine means you can make games for free without paying anybody. And look how cute he is. Give him a big hug. Mwah. That's your plushie reveal for today. Thank you for redeeming it, guy. Be gone. Always comment on your ass. You gotta stop buying leather chairs. Well, in my defense, Metra, I didn't buy any of my chairs except for the most recent one, which just arrived today. Uh, the chairs I've always used have been whatever's lying around in the house. Why is my face so bright in the Anthony cam? Oh God, it's so the power of the sun in my hands. Yeah, I hate these fucking cheap ass leather chairs. You could have put a cover on it. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I didn't buy this chair yet. It's not. It's just a hand-me-down. That's actually. You see how like the leather's like peeling off. I can't show the PNGs in the way. Ooh. How like the leather's all missing right here. Like there's already ripped up and missing there when I got the chair. So I didn't do that to the chair. I may have made it worse by using it, but I didn't do that to the chair. Okay. I'm just gonna hit play right now. I guess we can't really see the text. I didn't scale it down. So if it's huge, width, let's make it like 5 by 5. It's gone. Where did it go? Frame, chat. That's here. Move it over here. Change the font size. Oh, is the font size still the same? Is it still giant? Font size 1. I don't see. My text, where are you? Your whole shit is massive. I don't know what I'm doing. Text. Does this need to be in front of the panel, or is it fine if it's just on it? What are you on about, Lith? I swear you kept the old one for so long your parents had to chuck it away. I didn't keep it for that long. The chair was not that old. I just put it in the closet because I didn't have anywhere to put it. And then they took it away. The pinned message? My tail's waggling so much right now. Make your canvas width and height bigger and make the scale small. Canvas width and height. Okay. Canvas 100 by 100. Oops. Scale 0.1 by 0.1. Why is it so tall? Okay. Oops, 0.11. Anybody smell the chair? What's it smell like? I'm not gonna smell my chair. I don't want to know. We're in support of you, for Rue. Some of the smartest people in chat are also B-Waga. Should I do the same with the text? The width is 5 by 5. Let's make it like 100 by 100, but make it 0.1 scale. To keep my leg chained to the desk in the CEO's office. The scale should be 1 on the text. Alright, my bad. Undo. 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 Since it's already being scaled by the canvas. Oh, true, true. Okay. So if we see, where would the text even show up? I don't see my text. You got the one viewer glitch again? No, it's just everyone left. They all got tired of my shit. What do I do here? Where's my text? The font this size, make it bigger. Oh yeah, I did shrink it. Man, I should do this shit in the morning instead of in the middle of the day when I'm all sleepy and tired. 10. Not 0. 10. Where is it? Where is it? Font size. 100. Where is it? I can't see it. Should I just fucking make a new text component? Like, where'd my shit go? Did I click on something to move out of the way, make it hidden? UI, legacy. The width and height is still wrong? What? Oh, should this be bigger? Fucking like 100 by 100. Where would my text be? Where is anything? Okay, let's make a new text component, just see what happens. Okay, makes sense to me. Rotate it. Okay, I always like to rotate it manually and then set the number so I can tell which thing to scale. Is it Z fighting? Is that what's happening here? This one. Let's just get rid of this one that doesn't work. Say text. Now why didn't that change anything? It just says new. Yeah. Oh, is it not only fitting one word on the screen? Okay. This shit blows. I hate Unity UI. Godot is better. True. Fuck this shit. But most of the hard part is already done for us, so we must stick with it at least a little bit. With height 300. Oh baby, look, it's chat. All right. So if this becomes our it's on canvas. Okay. It's a bit big, I'll admit. We want this to be on screen. Say font like, I don't know, 10. Width and height, let's say like 100 here. If we run this, what happens? I'm waiting until I move back to order my tail. I can't have my family opening that or seeing that packaging. That'd be a bit silly. They're like, hey Ruru, we found the package. Yeah, because that's what they call you. They call you Ruru, right? Like, Ruru, we got your package. We opened it for you too. Oh, sweet heavens! This is not showing chat. So we commented out these parts, right? All these input fields. We kind of ignored that. We put in what it was called. Canvas. We put in the chat text. Chat text plus equals text. It's a normal tail, it just has the ability to move. I don't think that's normal. I'm just kidding. I'm quoting a meme. You added a bunch of text. I did. I thought it would just replace it, or I guess not. Maybe not. At Anthony Moore, that's me. The tail costs around 260. Oh my goodness, that's what you're telling me. It's also going behind the panel. Z fighting. That is true. Now it's in front of it. It's jank, but it's fine. Okay. It's not a butt plug, contrary to popular belief. How does that attach to you then? There's only so many ways. Read chat. What does C# use as a console.write for like typing into the console? Dot write line. Unity uses debug.log. Alright, let's debug.log. So this should just like say hi a bunch of times, right? Just so we can know that the thing is running. No reference exception, object reference not. Interesting. That didn't show up before, did it? Cease. Object reference not sent to an instance of an object. Twitch chat. Twitch chat.read chat. Did that happen last time? I wasn't paying attention. Read chat. You didn't like debug.log. Well, at least we know this is getting ran. Chat text dot text plus equals message. Line 48. What? Wait, did it say that? I did say that. If Twitch client dot available is okay. Twitch client equals new TCP client IRC chat. What does irc.chat.twitch.tx mean? Let's see what he said about that line. Is chat connect ever getting called? You're right, it's not. Wait, why isn't it getting called? Did I miss like an initialization thing? What? Just update. What? Management starts to get to run. Yeah. Oh, oops. Okay. I can give it a lurkies, Ruru. They have it connected to a button, but this would be easier. Oh yeah, is that? Oh, is that what it's doing? Okay, okay. Let me say hi. I want to see the highs. Drorkin. Same line. I didn't like. So it's saying that Twitch client is not set, it's null. Twitch client equals this. What did he say about that line when he writes it? Scroll up in the log. Ugh. Null reference exception object reference is not set to an instance of an object. TwitchChat.readChat assets TwitchChat.cs line 48. Null reference exception object. Blah, blah, blah. Have a great stream. Thanks, Guy. Thanks for dropping by and thanks for staying as long as you did. I appreciate you. Hope you have a good rest of your day. You want to see if it's wait, to the top? I want to see if the if start errored. Oh, true. Cannot resolve host ircchats.twitch. Cannot resolve host. I don't know what ircchat.twitch means, but I just blindly copied what he wrote in his code. Should I zoom in on this? Can I make this bigger? I don't know. GG tutorial is wrong. What's he say about this? irc.chat.twitch.tv. Oh, TX. I wrote the. Did I fat fingered my? I'm so stupid. Okay, now let's try it. You know what? He even said he copied and pasted it. I didn't copy and paste it. Hey, unknown command. What does that mean? That's something new. We got 2 highs in debug. Did my... What's happening? Did Unity freeze? Help! Help! Interesting. Anthony stupid moi. No, you're stupid. You're stupid. You're stupid. How about that? Oh, there we go. Oh, it's still going. Okay, let's pause this. Something broke. We got 3 highs in and then null on 54. Lit, it was a joke. I would never call you stupid. Okay, on 54. So I'm not used to having meaningful meaningful error messages because I've been coding in Mix-It-Up where it doesn't tell you shit. If message contains ping. Honestly, I don't even know what this means. Also, let's make sure I wrote this right too. That's not right. Why is it? How do I keep allowing myself to make typos like this? tmi.twitch.tv. Message didn't exist. Is that what it said? Yeah. We can just assume I keep making typos. tmi.twitch. What does tmi mean? Pong. Also, there's not a space here, I think. Save. Maybe next time I do a coding stream, I'll use my other keyboard. Actually, yeah, just maybe, because I am a lot worse at typing on the linear keyboard that's mostly for gaming. Why does it freeze when I stop? Or when I start, I mean. Let me hop in, I'll do some coding for you. I mean, sure, you can hop in. But I am, like, kind of brain dead right now. I don't know how well I could follow you. If you want to jump into the sack, I'll bring you in. Metro streamer kilo kilometer streamer kilo streamer metro. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, I wasn't paying attention. Same line, 54. It's hey, that's just the name of the call, the sack call. Oh wait. Did you wait? I didn't pull you in. Did you pull yourself in?
Huh?
Oh,
Oh, I think Lith put me in.
okay. Volume adjustment. There we go. I guess I'll share my screen. Share your screen. Screens. This one. Anthony wants you to fill a sack. Hey, no saying weird things.
No.
Actually, I didn't name the channel Sackle either. Someone else named it that.
This is peculiar.
Null reference exception. Object reference not sensitive. Read chat line 54.
Yeah, so after that reader.lead read line thing, it's like it's getting a null reference on the message, which means message isn't being set, or it's like reader is failing to read from the IRC client. So I guess I would put like a check after that, making sure the message isn't null before continuing.
Yeah. Ugh.
Also, I think the
Reader that read line is reader.
yeah, I think you have to put a space after pass nick and user as well, because they're not getting sent as commands.
Like this? Like this?
Yeah, if I had to guess.
Uh,
You can check in the video. It just seems like Twitch doesn't know what to do with it.
let's see. He does have spaces. I promise. I looked at it. I was like, all right. It's weird that doesn't have space. I guess there is a space. Okay. Let me just double check all of these. Join space number channel. Okay. But this is like separate, right? Or is that? Wait. Reader.
I think it's all correct now.
Alright, let's see what happens. Wait, did I hit save? When you it doesn't. Does it I think it should be started. I don't think I saved it. Cease. Let me out.
That freezing thing is really annoying.
Why does it do this?
I guess it's not reading it asynchronously. You could do that. I don't know.
We'll fix it in production. It's the demo stages. Pre-alpha. Let me out.
Actually, I think it'd be really easy to fix, but
Okay. Save it. Go back here. I mean, if you run this, I assume it doesn't. If you don't save it, it won't apply to changes, right? Wait, 48.
yeah.
I'll just see what happens.
I think the default setting is like it'll try to reload the scripts, but most of the time it just ends up freaking out instead.
I see.
How does the chat work? Hello?
Improperly formatted authentication.
Oh.
Oh, that's comprehensive. Okay.
I don't think
56.
he liked that.
Message.
ChatGPT told me you could just pass in bullshit and actually it might have to be OAuth:ABC for the password. instead of just ABC.
OAuth colon. Is it just OAuth all lowercase?
Yeah.
Let's see what happens. Let's see what that does.
Maybe it'll prefer that. I don't know.
It's interesting that like if the authentication is invalid, it'll still try to like get a message and then it'll be like, oh no.
Yeah. Bad. Oh well.
Yeah.
Authentication failed.
Authentication failed.
Can it read chat? I don't know.
Well, there's no
I don't
if the
know how this
authentication
stuff
if the
works.
authentication failed, I'm gonna assume it's gonna give us the same null reference. Okay, there it is. Let's just say
Okay.
hi.
One high. To make it not freeze, you can try replacing read line in the like where it gets the message with read line async and then awaiting that.
Wait, replace readline with readline async. Is that just a
Yeah.
different method?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, it is.
And then put the keyword await before that whole like squiggly line.
Wait, keyword await before at the
Yeah.
beginning?
Yeah. And a space.
Oh, I see. Okay. It doesn't like our
And that-
authentication.
Yeah, that should make it so it doesn't freeze when you're trying to get the message.
I see.
And I guess after that, should make it so it checks the string to make sure it's not null. You do if message equals null.
Mhm. Is it equals null in this, or is it something? I feel like the syntax for this like changes in every single language for the same kind of check.
Yeah, it's so annoying, but and then you just return it after that.
Yeah. Ooh.
I like the braces around one of the returns and no braces around the other one.
Don't worry about it. I was like, wait, it's just a single line. I can just do that. I forgot about it for the first one. So now, hi. Still, okay, so we didn't change anything for the authentication failing, but now it shouldn't give us the same error every single time. Should it only give us one hi though? Wait.
Yeah, because you put the hi at the bottom after it's returned.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
So that should only print hi when an actual message shows up.
There's probably more useful debugging messages I could use also. I had a habit when I did code, like all my like fucking log messages would just be like test 1, test 2, test 3. I just gotta remember what they
Yeah,
mean.
no, I do the same thing, to be honest. It does not look like the chat is coming through, which is
Yeah.
unfortunate.
Thank you for testing the chat, Lith. Yeah, I did think like worst case scenario, I could just have like a video source in OBS that is just like the Twitch chat how it is right now and just like paste that onto the scene. But I feel like it'd probably be better to actually have it like in text on the scene. I don't know. At this point, I think I'm like out of brain power to try to figure out what's wrong, so I might just pick this up
What
another
was the
time.
error you're getting from Twitch? I wanna check
From
that.
Twitch?
Yeah, like in the chat.
I guess we have to get rid of this check then.
No, it's
Oh,
it was written in the chat log.
wait, how do I look at this?
Authentication failed.
Oh, wait, this right here? Oh, yeah, there's right here.
No, yeah,
Yeah.
that.
If I go click on scene, will it still be there?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Login authentication failed.
TMI, colon TMI Twitch TV notice login authentication failed. Yeah. Hmm. Because this call's not open. Hmm?
Okay, the fucking all the examples of this anonymous thing say to put in the nickname as Justin Fan with a bunch of numbers.
The nickname? What?
Yeah, the username, I guess. So like maybe that's required somehow. Maybe it has to be Justin Fan with a bunch of numbers.
Alright, send me the Justin fan name, I'll put it in.
This example they did Justin Fan 3798.
If it's a real user, you don't think ABC is a real user? A spoof user by Twitch themselves. All I can do is guess, I guess. Wait, isn't the name of the guy who made Twitch Justin? Like,
Yeah.
okay, yeah.
So it kind of makes sense that it could be that.
Yeah. Or whoever made this is just such a big fan of Twitch.
Yeah, I love Justin so much. I sent it in the VC text.
Oh, okay, let me look at that.
Not in chat for voice chat. So stupid.
Oh, that's the chat for the gatekeeping chat.
Yeah.
I forgot this was a thing. So as the username, just put fucking Justin Fan 3798.
I guess.
Please work, please. Is 0 auth ABC still fine?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Justin Twitch himself.
I think it's fine. Oh my god, it worked!
What the fuck?
What do you mean, Justin Fan?
I'm such a big fan.
It actually has to be fucking Justin Fan 3798. Okay.
It's so fucking funny. Okay, well.
Oh, wait, the chat's not coming through though.
Oh no.
Why?
Any Justin fans in chat? Anybody? You think
I'm
if you
such a big Justin fan. They really made the anonymous users just called Justin Fan.
Welcome, good luck, have fun. Why is it saying good luck, have fun?
I guess that's just the IRC welcome message. I love that Twitch uses IRC on the back end. Like that's so funny to me.
What is RC?
It's I don't remember what the acronym stands for. Internet Relay Chat. That's what I thought it was, but I wasn't sure. It's just an ancient fucking chat protocol, I guess,
I see.
which is like barely used anymore.
How old is Twitch? They got dinosaur code.
IRC was introduced 36 years ago.
Oh,
Happy birthday.
baby. Uh,
I'm not sure why the chat isn't coming through. You can set up the official Anthony Moa IRC chat room. I mean, that's basically what this Twitch chat is.
Wait,
That's literally what this Twitch chat is.
oh my god, you're right. I remember, actually, it's all coming back to me now. I remember hearing people talk about like, oh yeah, before we had Discord, you fucking play fighting games with IRC chat rooms. I'm like, oh, I don't know what that is. Y'all sound really old.
Yeah, I mean, Discord, all the text channels in Discord are essentially IRC.
I see.
It's just like more authenticated and stuff. It's just gonna spam the logs with sad.
Well, know that means the message is null.
Fucking Justin Fan 3798.
uh,
I like. See, yeah, it's not even that. It's just not receiving messages.
I see.
That's weird.
I'm so full of
Full of
unity.
Can you log something if it contains ping? I want to see when it's getting pinged.
Okay.
Is it even getting a ping?
I'm pinging it.
Oh yeah. Also, I keep like tabbing back to your Twitch stream to look at chat, and then I like forget it's delayed.
Yeah. So wait, what is the I forget what the guy said. What does the ping thing do again?
Twitch like every once in a while sends you a message that says ping, and if you don't respond with Pong, then it's like, what the fuck is wrong with you, and disconnects you.
I see.
So that's like a required piece of code in every Twitch client. This is like, you're implementing a Twitch IRC client from scratch, which is kinda cool.
Yeah.
But I'm sure there are more streamlined ways to do this.
I feel like this has already probably been done a bunch of times too. I thought the tutorial would just be
Yeah.
like super simple and just work.
The tutorial is teaching you how to write an IRC client.
I see. Well, I don't think I need that much control over it. Well, I guess the time will tell.
It's kind of cool. I've written an IRC client for this fucking web like multiplayer piano thing.
Oh, sick. Well,
It's not
Justin
really
Fan, you failed me.
useful unless you're a massive loser like me, but
You can talk about how like nitty gritty into the code you got into it when it wasn't really necessary, but it's a great talking point. I love IRC. Okay, well, I think at this point, I'm like, I don't really want to think about this anymore. I'll come back to this another time. I think I want to.
Yeah.
I'm
I'm
sure.
honestly not even sure why it's not working.
Yeah, I'll probably do some research off stream as to what I need to do, but I've used up all my brain power, and I think I'm probably gonna end stream pretty soon.
I guess it's not telling you that you joined, but it's also not throwing an error, so
Yeah.
I mean, maybe the welcome, good luck, have fun is the join message for the chat, but
Like, I mean, it was telling us earlier when the authentication wasn't valid,
yeah.
but
So
would they just not have an error if you had valid authentication but failed to join?
yeah, honestly, I don't know. I mean, you could try commenting out the join command and
The right or right line?
yeah. And see if it still sends the GLHF message.
Oh baby, what does it say?
This server is rather new. What on earth does that mean? What
You
is
were in
it
a maze
saying?
of twisty passages all alike?
Oh, so that's what happens when you don't join a IRC channel. What the fuck does that? Wait, does that have like a default IRC chat room? Wait, I kind of want to see what happens when you send messages to this. That's a project for my own time.
Okay.
I'm like really curious about this now.
Who is Justin Fan talking to?
What the fuck, Justin Fan?
Wait, what the fuck does you were in a maze of twisty
maybe you're
passes?
like, maybe you're like direct messaging yourself. I don't know.
I I don't know.
I have no idea. I've never looked into this before.
Well, we got something out of today's stream. I'm not sure what.
A maze of twisty passages is what we got. So strange.
Hey, where the fuck are these messages coming from?
I have no idea. I'm gonna quickly write my own fucking Twitch IRC client. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna add some new tasks for next time. Add chat to the overlay. We'll say that's like half done. New task. We will add individual.
Can you send me the code you have in your Twitch chat thing? Actually, I just want to steal it.
Okay.
I can like repurpose it for not Unity. It's fine.
If I just DM you the text, is that fine, or do you want like?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Just rip out all the Unity specific stuff.
Shoutouts to Justin Fan. All my homies love Justin Fan.
Oh yeah.
What is Fugi? Fugi is the my PNG tuber. It uses a thing called React.Fugi. So I just call all the PNG tubers Fugis. is there anything else I wanted to add to this? I guess instead of add chat to the overlay, we can break that down into fucking figure out the authentication shit. Alright, I'm pretty much done for today. I think pretty soon I should have to go for dinner anyways, but I don't know when they're gonna show up. But I'm gonna go ahead and find someone to raid and then end things off. Oh, there we go. Lith, you wanna know how Moa's pronounced? I'm so glad you asked. Please, Moa, I need this. Lith, it's kind of like you're blowing a kiss, like a Moa. There you go. Can you raid out during an ad break? I've never had to think about this before. I imagine you just watching someone stream and then when the ad ends, you're in a different stream. I see you laughing on your stream. That's disrespectful as shit. You can't see my face. It's just the sack boy. I can't believe we got one last hurrah on the fucking bonsai server before the custom servers fucking died.
Yeah.
It's not planned or timed at all. It's just it's our last chance to play without knowing. Is Hexmaniac part of the OBS level? It is, because I haven't figured out how to do PNGs within Little Big Planet. Alright, we're gonna raid into Minori, because Minori is playing Repo. I think he's just playing with Aki right now, so that's who y'all will go into. Y'all get your channel points. Thank you for watching. Next week, hopefully we'll get more done. No, we did get one thing done today, so I will consider that a success. My phone. Alright, goodbye everyone.